Hello. Hello. Oh boy, this is gonna be one hell of a stream, man. One hell of a fucking stream. Hello, bro. What? Hello, Star Killer. Welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream, man. I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different today, just to see how it goes. Just to see how it goes. I'm gonna do a game development stream. I'm learning to game develop, by the way. I am not very good at it. So today I'm going to try to learn how to do it today. And we'll see if I'm successful or not, We'll see if I'm successful or not. God fucking damn, my headphones is getting tangled. Anyways, I do hope you're having a good day, man. I do hope you're having a fantastic day. Just gonna test my audio and stuff. Testing audio. Hello, can thou heareth me? Just gonna test my audio and stuff. Testing audio. Do I always sound so weird? What the hell? Why does my audio sound so fucking weird? I'm using a different layout from usual, so I may sound a little bit weird today. I don't know why it sounds so fucking weird. I sound very fucking filtered. What the hell? Do I sound different today? Hello? I sound very fucking filtered. What the hell? Yeah, why the fuck am I so muffled? Wait. I did not test out my yeah, audio is very low quality. I don't know why. It's not usually like this. Maybe it's my sound setting. Audio. Let me try to change that. Yeah, audio is kind of weird. I'm gonna try to fix that. Let me try to fix this. I am using the right. Hello, testing. I am using my right audio. So I am using a different layout today, a different setting and stuff. But I like the layout, but it's very small for code. I see. I don't know why my audio is so muffled. And yes, I'm using fucking Edge for this. I'm using Microsoft Bing. I have two browsers open right now. Just give me a sec. I need to figure this out. I don't know why my audio sounds so weird. Audio is super muffled. Turn off audio enhancer or whatever. Windows 11. Okay. Very small. Yeah, I thought that it's very small. I don't know. I don't know if it's too small or what. I'm gonna have to fix my volume for my audio first, since that's the worst. Jesus Christ, my audio sounds garbage. Okay, how do I do this? Audio enhancement. I don't know why it sounds so fucking garbage. What the hell? It doesn't usually sound like this, right? I mean, I don't know why my audio sounds so bad. Input. Let's try input. Yeah, I seriously have no fucking clue why it's like this. Let me try to problem solve. I'm already having technical issues. I've just started. I'm already having fucking technical issues.
Greetings, YouTubers. So I show you what is going and this is no exception to that rule. You want to do it. Now, what you want to change in now you want.
Just give me a sec. I am trying to find a solution to my audio. Did you change the set? I created a brand new fucking account for my computer. I could crush you. Hello, Spanish skeleton. I do apologize for the horrible audio quality right now. It's not usually like this. I'm trying to fix it. But welcome to the stream, Spanish skeleton, bro. Control panel. What the fuck is wrong with my audio today? What the fuck is wrong with my audio, man? What's up? I am trying to learn how to code today. I am doing this, and my audio sounds garbage.
It says view by icons. You want to now what you want to change and one. I'm gonna go ahead and go into.
I think it's properties. Listen. Hello? I don't know. I don't know if I sound better or not. Please tell me I sound better. Hello? I don't know. Is that better? Is my audio better now? Is my audio? I don't know. I turned off audio enhancements. Why does fucking Windows have? Why the fuck does Windows automatically have Windows? I don't know why. Okay, so there's a setting that is on by default, by the way. So if you buy like a Windows 11 laptop or whatever, it is on by default. So when you buy it, there's a thing called audio enhancement, where anything where you insert audio into your computer, it sounds muffled as fuck for some reason. And that's supposed to be aka enhanced. But that's not fucking enhanced my ass, bro. Sounds like utter garbage. Actually sounds like fucking doo-doo. Hello, Patricia. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. Anyways, I'm gonna have to fix this, the fucking, you said the fucking sounds like shit. Okay, sorry, my bad. That's my voice. I just sound like shit. My voice is just garbage, man. I can't control my voice, okay? I want to sound like Moist Critical, but my voice just sounds like a dying duck. My bad, bro. My bad. Alright. Alright, how's it going? Does my audio sound better? I think it sounds better now, at least, right? Yep, it does sound better. 7 hours. Yep, I'm gonna be learning this full 7 fucking hour long. This is a video on how to make. I'm pretty sure this is the right video, right?
A very long video. So what you're about to see right now is a re-release of the core.
Yeah, this is a very long video. Hey, drink coffee every flippin' day so your voice can get better? Nah, bro, nah. Just gonna fucking drink acid to fucking change my voice permanently. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Fucking drink yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not that desperate to change my voice. I'm not that desperate, but, you know, it is how it is. My voice is just kind of garbage. Oh, man, I don't like my voice. I wish I sounded cool. Not like a fucking child. I sound like a dying duck. Anyways, I am going to start the stream. I'm going to be learning how to code today. It's gonna be a fucking rough stream, I tell you. This is gonna be a fucking rough stream. Very rough stream, I tell you. Very, very rough stream. I am stupid, by the way. I am very fucking stupid. Like, super stupid. My IQ is in the single and double digits. My IQ is room temperature. So, learning how to code is gonna be a bit tough. But you know what? I'm gonna try my best. This handsome man right here will teach me how to code a game in 8 hours. This is probably gonna take me 20 or 50 hours. But, let's try our best. Or let me try my best. If any of you guys know how to code, I could use some help, you know, I could use some help. So, I'm just gonna get started. Also, I hope I don't get copyrighted by this guy. I'm just trying to learn how to fucking code here.
That course is actually it's 3 years old, but I believe that the content in it is kind of still relevant.
Yes, I see. Thank you.
And TileMap was recently new, so that's the most prominent thing.
That's a cute dog you got there, fellow.
This is for sole purpose, and it's been I think 4 years now on Udemy, and I don't have access to the account unfortunately, so it's not really being maintained. And there's better chances that people are gonna be replying to the comments here than on my non-existent Udemy account, and that's it. So
2 times speed, no, 1.5. 1.5 times speed.
you have any question, of course, post them in the comment section down below.
Yeah, I don't know why my browser is not fucking working right now. I swear to fucking God, like, Edge does not fucking work for some reason. I don't know why. I've been trying to fix it. It doesn't work. Just does not work. The comment section is not fucking showing up.
So try to put a timestamp as well for the question, so at least
The fucking, I don't know why. I don't know if it's Edge or what, but fucking the browser's not showing up the fucking comment section for some fucking reason. I do not know why. I don't have. I use Firefox, but the thing is, I'm using Firefox for my studio YouTube right now, for my YouTube studio. So Firefox is just way better to fucking than fucking I can't fucking talk to it. I don't know. I can't even talk. How do I expect to fucking code? I don't know. I'm using Firefox for YouTube Studio right now to host my stream. I'm using Edge or whatever for fucking I can't. My brain is blanking out. I can't think today. I don't know why. But I'm using Edge for the YouTube browser, yeah, for stream, yeah. Hey, I hate light mode. Turn it to dark. This is good enough, bro. Theater mode is good enough. This is good enough, man.
ask something.
How do I close this tab right here on the right? How do I... Oh my god, this thing fucking sucks. Who the hell uses Edge, man? Holy shit, this sucks. This is actually a garbage platform. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay.
And I have timestamp, I can go back to that part of the video and remember a little bit.
Alright, setting up.
So you can either do that here in the comment section down below, which I would appreciate, or you could also
comment section. Yeah, I don't see no fucking comment section here, man.
If you guys enjoy this, or it's a one-time off, by the way, but if you guys enjoy this, subscribe to the channel, helps us quite a lot. And by us, I mean me. I'm rebuilding the channel, so I'm really
What kind of slime are you? I'm an ugly slime. I'm a dumb slime.
There's number, anything that you can give me is really appreciated. A like, a subscribe, and a share.
Even if I wanted to like his video, I literally cannot. I literally physically am unable to like, subscribe, or comment. I'm sorry. I actually wanted to show this guy's title and name and stuff to like show it, but for some fucking reason, it's not showing up. Whoops, that's the fucking wrong thing right there. Don't mind that.
Alright, I think I'm done promoting myself. Enjoy the course. Cheers.
Will this work? Still does not fucking work. I don't know why. Don't ask me why this doesn't work.
Hello and welcome to the very first lesson in which we
Why don't you full... Okay, I just don't like full screen because that means I have to fucking leave full screen. I'm too lazy to do that.
2017.
2017. This is kind of outdated. A couple years outdated. Several years outdated, in fact. I know your IP, lol, JK, just kidding. You just said just kidding twice. Does that mean you're kidding about kidding? So you actually know my IP? I live in space, bro. I live in space. You can't get me, even if you know where I live. Just use Brackies. I don't know if Brackies has a good like fucking long stream where he makes an RPG. This is the video that I'm watching, by the way. Right here. Oh,
sick of all the ads.
I don't bro. Okay, now it works for some reason. Now it works. I don't know why, but it works. Okay.
Like this one, just head to adskiller.com, click on activate now.
Hey guys.
Okay, at least that works now.
What?
Okay.
Hello and welcome to the very first lesson in which we will download
Brackies, how to make a video game. Okay, Brackies, how to make a video game. I want to make at least a easy video game today.
So here's a step-by-step guide on getting object. You will see the transform.
Nah. I'm gonna go with this one for now. This one, guys, make a top-down RPG. I feel like I could do this. Slime, are you in the solar system still? I actually do not know where in space I am. Space is a very big place. It's almost as big as your mom, so it is very big, and I don't know where I am in space right now.
Unity 2017. If you already have the engine installed, make sure that you are at least on version 2017.2.
I am beyond. I'm going to say why are you going to say, please do not dox yourself, man. We do not want to know your personal information, bro.
.com and click on Get Unity. Now, if you want to make sure that you are on the same exact scene, you can version in the future.
I already have this shit. Yada yada, blah blah blah. Yada yada. I already have this. I already have this. Yada yada. Yada yada. Can you please? I'm gonna.
Project on your name.
I already know the basics. I know the basics.
Dungeon 4, whatever it is we're gonna be doing. Able to rotate it.
Oh wait. Too far. Too far.
We can move it the same way we move the camera inside of the scene view. Now, to actually mess around with the transform a little bit, to mess around with the position, I am going to create a cube. Right here in the
I know how to create cubes.
I'm going to press W. By pressing W, you're going to have to move gizmo, and you'll be able to move it the same exact
Alright, let's try that out. Let's try that out. So I am on a different version from him, but it should still work. W is the move gizmo. Okay. W the W. Why is this W? Why? Move, yay, move gizmo, yay. It's too outdated in my opinion. Looks so old. You look old, bro. You look fucking old. Okay, aspect ratio. Let's do 19 by that. Let's do 19 by 20 full HD. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, seems good. So this is Move Gizmo. It's a bean. Yes, this is a bean, guys. I'm gonna shove this down someone's throat, and they're gonna choke on my bean. Is that a sarcal? No, it is a bean. It's a bean.
We have been moving it for a while. If you press on E, you'll be able to rotate it.
E is rotate. Okay, I'm on 2D, so this is. Oh, I can still rotate on 2D as well. Cool. Look at this. Very cool. Very cool, Ito. By the way, I don't fucking care, bro. I don't fucking care, man. I'm learning. I'm learning here, man. Don't overcomplicate things for me already, Mini.
Either on a single axis, like this, by clicking on the lines, or on multiple axes by clicking in the empty here. You can then press R to play around with the scale. Those are really basic controls, and we are going to be using them as we make our level later. Now the final window I'd like you to have a look is the project window.
Okay, so I'm just gonna Unity quick keys. What are they called again? Quick key. I don't. I just want to I want to just have them all on screen just in case I forget or something. Bing actually sucks ass, bro. Bing. Okay, let me go to Google. Fucking this actually sucks ass. Why am I doing this to myself? I should have. I want to use Firefox, but I don't know. Okay, so these are all the navigation and shit. Yeah, I know. Purple guy manipulate die behind the what? You know, I'm not even gonna question it, man. I'm not even gonna question it, bro. Alright.
Now the project window is the exact same replica as the asset folder in your Explorer. Let me actually get a little bit deeper on that. If you right click inside of the project window, you can see there is a button called Show in Explorer. Let's open it up. You can see that this is in my desktop, and it is in the top dungeon, which is our project folder. Inside of it, there is a couple of things that you need to have Unity working. While the engine is running, you need to have the temp folder. There's also some project settings, saving different things such as the project version, the input manager, all that kind of stuff that we need to have the game working. Some
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
The asset folder, and this is the one that is going to be the most important to us. Let's open up the asset folder. As you can see, it is empty right now. I'm going to create a random file. So just a random text document. As you can see, just a txt document, nothing in it. Let's head back into the engine. You're going to see that it is now in our project as well. Kind of useless at the moment, but I just wanted you to know that the asset folder is the same as the project window, as seen over here. So we're going to delete this thing and start creating a folder structure that we'll be using for the rest of the project. The first folder we'll be creating is one called Artwork. And inside of Artwork.
Okay, asset. Let me open up and let's see. Yeah, I have a scenes panel, so I'm a bit different from the wait, what? Why is this different? Why is this not working? This is literally not fucking working, man. Oh my god, what is wrong with this thing? I don't know why my automated screen thingy, my jiggy fucking thingy, second thingy. I don't know why this is not fucking working. Why are you not working, bro? I don't know why this is actually just not working. Bro, this is such a fucking scuffed ass stream, bro. This is actually a fucking scuffed stream. Trying to set up my automated screen switcher to work, but it's not fucking working for some reason. Why are you not fucking working? I will morb. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna fucking rage here. Let me try this again. Is that Unity? Please tell me that's Unity. I think that's Unity. Please work, bro. What the hell is going on here? Will this fucking work? Okay, that works. That works. That works. Could you put your life at stake and once you drink it, you can't go back? Happy birthday, Grimace. What is it? What are you? What? I'm so confused at what you're talking about, bro. I'm actually very confused. Are you okay, man? Do you need help? Minnie will be back in 30 minutes getting caught popcorn. Cool.
I'll be creating a folder called Animations. And another folder.
Artwork, animations. Okay, I'm gonna create some folders here. Create folder, artwork. Inside the artwork is animations. Animations here. Perfect. Perfect. Artwork, animations. Great. Now we have some
There are levels.
folders.
That's it for art.
And levels as well, huh? Levels. Okay. Create a level. Levels. Okay. I am not doing so badly so far.
Let's go down, create another one for prefabs, another one for scenes, and a
I already have one for scenes, but we can create one for prefab. What's a prefab again? That's like a class, right? Prefabs are like things that you can infinitely clone and duplicate, I think. I'm not exactly sure. I'm stupid, so
another
yeah.
one for scripts.
Scripts. This guy is organized. When I made a game once in the past and I just like shoved everything into one folder, I was so disorganized. Hello, Sylvia V. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? How you doing, bro? Bacon, eggs, grits, sausage. What? I hope you're having a good day, man. I do not know what you guys are talking about, but okay. I do hope you guys are having a good day. And welcome to the stream where I suffer.
Are all the folder we'll be using during this course. Now, like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to try and keep this as small as possible, as simple
I'm gonna turn up the volume here. Sup, I'm good. It is good that you're good. Very good.
as possible, so you guys can go back, reread the files, figure out where they're connected, and also reuse them in the future if you'd like to create more content for the games. Having that said, we're going to be
Alright.
ending this up by creating a new scene.
I'm learning how to code and how to make a game today. I'm learning from scratch. I am very dumb, so this is gonna be very difficult. But yeah, if you want to stay here and watch me suffer, feel
It's going to be the
free.
main scene in which we're going to be doing a lot of testing at first, and if it
Hey, prank him, John. You already know what are you talking about, Spanish skeleton? I have no idea what the fuck you are talking about, bro. What is even going on with you? Are you okay, man? Do you need help? Do you need to get a doctor, man?
eventually turning that into some kind of hub. So what we're going to do is make sure you have a clean scene. At the moment, I only have a main camera, so this could be considered as a clean scene. Now, if you put more stuff in it, I encourage you to just hit Control and N on the keyboard, which is going to create a new scene. Make sure you don't save this one. Start again from scratch. This is a fresh new scene, and now you can click Control.
Okay, Control N. New scene. You guys don't see that window. You guys don't see that window. Yeah, you guys don't see that. Okay. I'm gonna create an empty scene here. No, don't save. Okay, this is a new scene. I'm in a new scene right now. Brand new scene. Samples. I don't know what's going on, but okay.
Control and S to save. I'll be calling this one main, and I'll be
Okay, I'm gonna call this one main as well. Main. Wait, I'm so confused.
drag
What?
and dropping it in slash. This is a fresh new scene, and now you can click
Okay,
Control
so
and
I'm
S.
just trying to figure
I'll
this
be calling
out.
this one main, and I'll be drag and dropping it inside of the scene folder.
Okay, drag and drop into the scene folder. Main Unity. There we go. This is my main folder. Why is fucking Unity not showing up? Why is Unity fucking being like this, man? Unity is acting like a bitch again. Why is Unity such a fucking bitch? Damn, why 1.5? I'm at 2 times speed, not 1.5 times speed. I'm at 2 times speed. Fucking super speed here. I don't know why Unity is acting like a fucking bitch. Why is YouTube acting like... Why? I don't know why Unity is acting like a bitch right now. Why is it like this? Why are you not switching properly? Why are you not switching to my Unity fucking... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go with my... I have an automated scene changer with right now, and I don't know why it's not working properly. I'm on Unity right now, but for some reason it's not switching back to Unity. Karma is a bitch. Get it right. Ugh, Unity. I have no idea what you guys are talking about, man. I have actually no idea what you guys are talking about. I'm just having issues here. I don't know why this is not working at all. I do not know why this is not working. It was working just like 5 seconds ago. Why is it not switching over to Unity? Why is my automate because of your computer? What is the issue here? How do I fix this? I don't know. I want to fix this. My YouTube this is so scuffed, man. This is so fucking scuffed. This is actually so fucking scuffed. You don't work. That's why. I don't know, man. I'm so confused, bro. I want this to work. Okay, so it's switching now. I don't know why it wasn't working earlier. Okay, I'm just gonna continue.
What we've done here is
You fix yourself. I want to fix myself too. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna continue this. I'm
a
gonna
new scene,
continue
and we
this.
saved that new scene. You could have also done that through the file menu by clicking on new scene and then save scene. Okay, so we have our UI set up. We're going to be messing around with UI.
I got a headache, then you probably shouldn't watch me because my voice has very good at giving people headaches. My voice is very good at giving people headaches, by the way, in case you didn't know that.
A little bit later on as well, because we're going to need more window in the future, such as the console that we'll see eventually, which is here, and also the tile palette. And probably more that I don't really have in mind at the moment, but we'll be playing with the layout a little bit in the future. Make sure that you find one that you're comfortable with, and also make sure that your layout has at least the hierarchy, the inspector, the project, the scene view, and also the game view hidden somewhere. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I'll catch you in the next one where we'll find a texture atlas so we can build our whole game around the texture atlas. See you there. Welcome back, everybody. Before we start and dive right into the engine and just get everything starting to create code, starting to design levels, we're going to need some kind of art. Now, I encourage you to go ahead and make your own art. But if you don't have any, if you don't know how to make art, if you don't have any knowledge in Photoshop or how to make sprites, I encourage you to go get this one right here. That's the one I will be using during this course. It is free and also royalty free, which means you can download it for free. Of course, there's no cost. And then royalty free means you can use it inside of your commercial project if you wish. This is something I really appreciate. Is someone from itch.io, and he uploaded his own.
I don't know if I'm probably gonna make my own tiles. I think I'm probably going to make my own tiles. I have a headache about you, Riz. What? Why are you guys being weird? No, back to the plane of extraction. I don't know what you guys are talking about, man. You guys are weird. Okay, are you leaving, Slivia? If you are, have a good day, bro. I don't know if you're leaving or if you're just making some weird statement or something. I don't know. I honestly have no clue. I do not understand you guys. Extract using a deep syringe through what? Through the eye? What? Does that have anything to? I'm just gonna continue, man.
Own the decal is 16 by 16 dungeon tile set. So this is what we'll be using, and in the end, this is what you see right here. It's only one texture. It's called a texture atlas. So that's a 256 by 256 pixel picture, and in that you're going to crop what you need. So that's exactly what we'll be doing inside of the game engine in a little bit. Now, if you'd like to use the same exact tile set as I'll be using for this course, then go check out the resources tab in your lesson, and you'll be seeing a link to this tile set. Make sure you download it, import it in your project. This is a simple PNG image. Alright, so once you have the texture downloaded, I have it right here on my desktop, you're going to either drag and drop this right in your project, or you're going to put it inside of the app.
For now, I think I might download the fucking asset, but I don't know. I want to try making my own asset, but for now, I think I might download this. Hello, Grinchy man in chat. How is it going? This is funny. Fuck you, Grinch. Fuck you. I am suffering here. I have no idea what's going on. I'm being stupid. And Sylvia and fucking Spanish Skeleton are trying to get me canceled. Fucking making me say the N-word or something. I don't know. Why you guys like this? Why are you guys like this, man? I'm already suffering by myself. I don't need other people to torture. What the fuck is this folder? What the fuck? Okay, what? I am so confused. Okay, I have the folder. I have the folder. This is okay. Nothing's wrong here. Nothing is wrong here. This is funny. No, it is not, bro. This is not funny for anybody. This is just pain and suffering. Why can I not drag and drop this fucking image in? Do I have to, oh my god, I have to fucking extract this raw, oh my god, okay, let me extract this. How do I extract, oh my god, I forgot how to extract things already. I'm doing it on, blah, 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 I know the struggles, Lamau. Slime, I pray for your downfall, I despise you. Will you stop being fucking, no! I want to not be dumb, but I'm just stupid. I'm just stupid, alright, bro? I'm just fucking stupid. I can't control how stupid I am. I'm just naturally stupid. Jesus Christ. Alright, it's not my fault I'm stupid. Not my fucking fault. I don't want to be stupid. But I just naturally am, bro.
Asset folder, because you know that this project over here is the same exact thing as the asset folder. So I'll be opening up the top dungeon, that's my project folder, and I'll be heading into assets, and I'll just drag and drop this in here. If we go back in the engine, you'll see that it disappeared.
Okay, I need to put this in
what's
assets. I need to put this in. I'm literally just doing this step by step. Where's my asset? Where the fuck? Okay, this is my assets folder. Okay, I was like, where's my assets folder? You're like Steven. He's actually smart. My man is smart and he's entertaining. I am nothing like Steven He. That automatically makes you 8 times. Even if I become 0 times 8 is still 0. By the way, so I would still be 0 even if I did do that. So I would still just be very dumb.
Out of here, let's actually rename that to Atlas. That's gonna be our texture Atlas.
Atlas. Okay, so this is our texture Atlas. Atlas. Okay, very good.
This is how we call these Atlas because it contains more than just one object in here that we'll be using. So I'll be taking this and drag and dropping it into the artwork folder.
Of course, artwork folder. Artwork.
Okay, now let's have a look at what happens if we double click on it. Since it recognizes it's a PNG image, it is going to open it up in your favorite photo viewer. So throughout this course, we're going to be using most of the left side over here to create levels. So imagine we're going to be splitting those squares one by one, and we'll be painting up levels using those. We're also going to be using the little red goo over here. That's going to be some kind of healing fountain. The enemies are going to be at the bottom left. Your player sprites are going to be at the bottom over here, and also the weapons. We'll need the weapons. We'll also be using one of these boss here, one of the 3 boss, and also doing a sprite animation with these torches and the chest. So basically, we're going to be using a lot of that when we create our level. We won't be using all of it. So in the end, if you want to make that texture even smaller, you'll be able to crop what you want and just put it in a smaller texture. But 256 by 256 is very, very small in the first place. So this is a really good, really optimized texture. And that is going to conclude it for the very first section. This one was super simple. We just install Unity, we set up our UI so it looks the way we want. We're basically ready to work, and that's exactly what we'll be doing in the second section, guys. So join me there. We'll be talking about moving an object around, moving a sprite around, and doing manual collision detection. See you there.
Alright.
Albion Online
Fucking
is a
ad,
sandbox
bro.
MMORPG.
Fucking ad. Suck my balls.
Welcome to the second section.
Damn, it's easy, Slime and dumb space. I figured it out. Okay, bro, you can't even speak English, man. You have no right to criticize me. You can't even speak English properly. Learn grammar, bro.
Of this course. By the end of this section, you're going to have a moving character that manually detects collision with either the wall or the other enemies, and also you're going to have a camera that follows him around. So let's get started right away by opening up the artwork folder. The first thing we'll need to have a character moving is to actually have the character on the scene somewhere. So this is our texture right here. We're going to click on it. Make sure it is under Sprite to the NUI. Now I'm looking at this.
Alright, Spice. Wait, where is this? Right here. Sprite, Unity, 2D, and AI. UI, yes.
In the inspector. So this texture we import the PNG image. Make sure it is under Sprite to the NUI and then hit apply if it wasn't already. Once it is completed, we are going to go under Sprite mode.
Did you get influenced by my top down? I'm just trying to learn how to make a game, bro. This is just a good video that I found, like a full all-in-one video. I just want to try a challenge to make a game, okay? I don't know, man.
And make sure this is on multiple. The only reason we are doing this is because this specific atlas
Multiple, okay. Where is multiple here? Okay, multiple. There we go.
this specific image has multiple sprites on it, so we need it to be on multiple. If you
Trust me, this is gonna be easier. Brackies is the go. I'm not watching Brackies right now. I don't know if Brackies has any like super long like all-in-one video. I know I've seen a couple of Brackies video. I've done Brackies before. Do you learn or do you just? I'm gonna try to learn. You think I'm not trying to fucking learn, man? I'm trying to learn, but first I need to like get to the coding. You know, I'm gonna try to learn. I am gonna do what he's saying, but I am gonna try to learn as well. I'm trying to do both. He mostly does like short videos. He doesn't have like an all-in-one video. I'm gonna try make one game first, and then try make my own like version of the game and stuff.
Out your player, if you have a different texture and your player is cropped out into a single image, don't worry about putting it on multiple. You just need to have it in your project somewhere. In our case, our player is somewhere at the bottom here, so we still don't know which one we're going to be using. But this is a multiple.
I've been doing game. Okay, bro, you don't have to flex on me. I'm just stupid, man. I'm just fucking stupid. Slime said slimes are okay. That has nothing to do with game development, man. This has nothing to do with fucking game development right
so go ahead and
now.
hit apply once more, and we're going to then click on the sprite editor. This is going to open up this nice window.
All right, sprite editor. Okay, fuck. This is. I actually did the. Okay, no. I want to learn. I'm doing this so I can fucking learn. I'm trying to learn here, man. I'm trying to learn. Why am I so stupid, man? Why am I so stupid? I'm dumb.
And in that window.
Anyway, since you're here, how's your mod pack going, man? How's your mod pack going, Grinchy boy? How's your mod pack going, man?
We're going to manually crop out our player. So I'm going to pan around using the middle mouse button, and then zoom in, again using the middle mouse. And I'm going to choose which player I like the most in that. So we could start with that little boy over here, that little disturbed boy. And I'm going to make sure that I zoom in very, very close, and I click and hold to drag around. So as you can see, it's going to create that green square. And make sure you wrap the whole player around it, including the little outline over here. So once you have your first drag, make sure you resize it properly. In this case, I have something that is 15 by 16.
Let's try doing that. Let's try fucking doing that, man. Why is this so blurry? What is going on already? Oh god, why am I messing up already? Oh shit. Oh shit, no. You know, I'm gonna close that. Okay, you guys can't see that. I'm good. God, you guys can't see that. I'm gonna discard that real quick. Okay, you guys can't see the screen for some reason, but that's pretty good for me, I suppose. Why is this so blurry? Why is this so blurry? Wait, what? What? How? Wait. Why the fuck is my sprite editor so blurry and his so unblurry? Wait, what? Wait, what? Bro, okay, let me, did he change any settings I'm unaware of? I'm on the same exact settings as he is. Get a better, no, it's just, I don't know what settings I did wrong. What? Pixels per unit. He did 100, I have 100 as well. I'm on multiple as well. I don't want to be. Oh my god, I don't want to be here either, bro. This is my own stream. I don't want to be here anymore. Why the fuck is this so blurry? Why are you so blurry? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why is this so blurry? It's actually just so fucking blurry. Yeah, better laptop mother. No, like okay, you guys can't see the screen I'm on right now, but I'm opening the PNG sprite thing. I'm in sprite editor. You guys can't see that because I don't have that fucking on, but it's so fucking blurry. I don't know why. It's like it's fucking low quality or some shit. It's not fucking. Oh my god, this sucks. Should I just make my own sprite? And why the fuck is my thing not working again? Why the fuck is my scene switcher not working? Hello? Why the fuck is my scene switcher not... This is actually the worst fucking thing in existence, man. This is so scuffed for some reason. Why is this so fucking scuffed? This is so fucking scuffed, man. This is actually just so fucking scuffed. I'm gonna do this real quick. Automatic switch switcher. Shit. Shit. Why is this not fucking working, man? Why the fuck is this actually not working? Why are you not fucking working? I don't know. Does the scene name change or something? I think it just changes. That's why it doesn't work. Okay, this is very scuffed, man. This is fucking scuffed as hell. Yeah, I think I might just keep it on the screen, man. I think I might just keep it on the screen, even though you guys might not be able to see the code. I don't know. He said that 3D is harder than 2D. I'm probably gonna do 2D right now. I have no idea what you guys are saying in chat right now. I'm just gonna ignore you guys. I'm gonna search up why sprite editor, Unity sprite editor, blurry for some reason. Why is it blurry? Why is it blurry? I don't know why this thing is blurry. I don't why. No, why? It's not blurry here, so why the fuck is this here? I don't know. Slime, you schizophrenic okay, fuck you guys. Fuck you guys, man. Fuck you guys. Stop bullying me. Read the fucking... I'm trying! Jesus Christ, I'm here to learn. Why are you guys bullying me? Bilinear... Wait, what'd he do here? Bilinear or trilinear? This is bilinear clamp. That's what I did. So why is mine blurry and his is not? I do not know. Oh man, oh boy. Why the fuck is this blurry? You have ADHD. Why is this batch of new viewers so toxic? I don't know, man. I don't know. These guys are all dumb. Slime has... I have always been incompetent. Wait, is it compressed? What?
So we could, and then zoom in again using the middle mouse, and I'm gonna choose which.
How do I uncompress it? How the fuck do I uncompress it? How the fuck do I uncompress this thing? I don't know. I have no idea how this thing works, man. It's not blurry in PNG here, so why is it blurry in Unity? Compression, normal quality. I don't know, it's blurry for some fucking reason, Yeah, I'm just gonna try this out and see it. I don't fucking care at this point. I'm just gonna fucking do this. Yada yada. I'm just gonna keep watching the tutorial here.
Player I like the most in that. So we could start with that little boy over here, that little disturbed boy.
Go back to the menu. Compression. Is there compression somewhere? High quality. Does that change anything? Still fucking blurry. None? I'll try none. Alright, I'll try none. Still fucking blurry. It's still fucking blurry. Still fucking blurry. I don't know what you want from me. The dude has it in normal quality for some reason. The dude has it in fucking normal quality. I don't know, Matt. It doesn't change anything. It's still fucking blurry. Still fucking blurry. It's in sprite editor. Fucking blurry as hell. Filter mode. What? Then it's fucking blurry. It's fucking blurry. Then it's fucking blurry. It's a you, bro. Why are you here if you're so fucking mad at me for being stupid, man? I don't even know why you're here, man. Why are you here, bro? Oh, there we go. It's not blurry anymore. All I needed to do was filter mode. God, what? His was on the right thing, the same thing as mine. So I don't know why it fucking changed for me. I don't know. His worked, mine didn't. Okay, but now it works.
And I'm going to make sure that I zoom in very, very close, and I click and hold to drag around. So as you can see, it's going
there
to
we
create
go.
that green square, and make sure you wrap the whole
I
player
got
around it,
it to
including the
work.
little outline over here. So once you have your first drag, make sure you resize it properly. In this case, I have something that is 15 by 16, and that would be our player right here. If you'd like to have something that is a little bit more clean, and have a standardized size for every single sprites we're going to have.
Dumbass. Bro, you guys are fucking trying to insult me here, but I'm learning here. I'm learning. I am fucking learning, alright? Y'all can't fucking make me sad. I've been called stupid my entire life by my parents. Y'all nothing. You guys are nothing, I tell you. Let me try this to browser. Here, close this. Alright.
I really suggest you put that on 16 by 16 by extending this thing by 1 pixel. So when you look at the bottom over here, you're going to see the width is 16 pixel and the height is 16.
Alright, so it's 16 by 16 here. Let's resize this then. 16 by 16.
Now, you could of course have something else that is 256 by 256 if you have more definition in your sprite, but in this case, all the characters, all the little players you see here can be fit in a 16 by 16. Maybe at the exception of this one,
Say butthole 3 times and I'll super chat you 300 money. I'm good, bro. I'm actually very good.
You're a little bit bigger. But if you want to use all the same size of the player, we can go here, and as you can tell, they all fit in a 16 by 16. Okay, so I'm going to go back, make sure that this one is the one that I selected, and I'm going to go down here. Really important you go down here and you rename this sprite. This is going to be player under.
Alright, player. This is going to be our player. By the way, are you in live chat or top chat? I'm in live chat right now. I'm in live chat. So I see everything. I see everything. My eyes see everything. I see everything, bro.
Underscore 0. Once we have more sprites per player, I'll call this one.
Underscore 0. Do I need an underscore? I feel like I don't need an underscore, but I'm gonna put it anyways. Be gay, gay, gay. Sure, bro. Whatever you want. I do not care. I'm here to learn.
Underscore 2, and so on. Actually, let's do that right now. So we're going to, once this one is completed, once this one is clean, so 16 by 16, we're going to do another drag just by clicking anywhere else, and I'm going to select this little guy as well. This one is 16 by 15, so I'm missing 1 in height, so let's get that. And here we go.
Alright, so I'm gonna move over here and create another sprite here. This one is too big. I'm assuming this is gonna be player 1 or something.
That would be player 0, and that would be player 1. So I'm going to...
This is player 1. Player 1. Yeah, my fucking Unity thing stopped working. My fucking Unity thing, it stopped showing up my Unity again. Fucking hell, I don't know why.
Make sure I rename this one as well.
Player 1, alright.
Okay, so at the moment, we have our 2 player sprites. They are not registered just yet. We have to click apply at the very top. And that will conclude all we need to do today with the...
Alright. If I create, like, my own sprite without a fucking, like, sprite map or anything, would that still work? I think that would still work, right? I'm assuming that would work. Bro, just make your own I mean, I could just make a sprite map or something here. Bro, this fucking, my automatic scene switcher doesn't, like, fucking account for tabs. It forgets about tabs. If I go on the different tab, it just, like, shows something completely different. This automatic scene switcher is actually just so bad. This automatic screen switcher fucking sucks, man. You know what? I'm just gonna deal with it, bro. I'm just gonna deal with it, man. Square. Yeah, I might make my own sprite. I might make my own sprite. But for now, I'm just gonna go with this for now because I want to learn. I'm not gonna try to create a professional game or anything. I'm only making I'm learning today. Today is just a learning stream. You know, I'm gonna learn how to make a game today. And when I make my own proper game, I'm gonna make my own sprites and stuff.
Sprite editor. If you close that up, you're going to see that your atlas now has this little arrow. If you click on it, you'll see player 0.
Atlas. Player 0 and player 1. Nice!
And player 1. You can also have a preview of those sprite by clicking on this at the very bottom of the inspector. As you can tell, you see this is our 16 by 16 pixel player 1. And
okay, so theirs is pretty blurry as well. There we go. Looks nice. Looks very nice. They look like kind of like prisoners.
player 0. Okay, so last episode, what we've done is we created some player sprites using the atlas. They are right here, that's player 0 and player 1. I am going to go ahead and drag and drop player 0 anywhere in the scene. As you can tell, it's fairly small, and you can just drop it wherever you want. But if you want it to be centered, what you can do is just drag it inside of the hierarchy. Remember that the hierarchy is just a text and data representation of what's inside of the scene. So as you can tell here, we have...
Are you learning or just following the tutorial? So far, it has not been very confusing, except for some minor issues I had. I mean, I understand the concept. It's just basically just making a sprite so far. So far, I'm just making a sprite. I'm going to try to understand. Try to understand what's going on. Okay, so this is a very fucking tiny ass fucking sprite. This is a very tiny sprite so far. Very tiny. Do I not have a camera? I don't think I have a camera in this fucking scene. Yeah, I don't have any camera, so it doesn't work so far.
We have our sprite. It is a little bit small, so while the atlas is selected, we are going to go up here in the inspector and change the filter mode to point, so no filter, and you'll end up with something like this. Alright, so we fixed one problem. Now another
point, no filter. No filter. That's what I did, right? Let me see.
problem.
Where they press
And
that
change the
again?
filter.
They did that in the atlas. Okay, they did that in the atlas. No filter. He's gay. Proven fact. I'm not gay. I'm straight, by the way.
mode to point, so no filter, and you'll end up with something like this. Alright, so we fixed one problem. Now another problem is the fact that this is very small. To show you exactly how this looks in the game, I am going to pull this game window and just make sure I anchor it on the left like this. So I just click and...
So in the game... Wait, where do you press that? What the fuck? How do you fucking open that up? I don't have a camera. Does he have a camera?
very small. To show you exactly how this looks in the game, I am going to pull this game window and just make sure I anchor it on the left like this. So I
Yeah,
just
he has a camera for some reason. I don't have a camera. I'm gonna create a camera. Where do I create a camera right here? Main camera. Main camera right there. Create a main camera. That way I can see. Yeah, these people cannot even fucking spell, man. These people actually just cannot even fucking spell for some reason. Where the fuck is my fucking guy? I cannot even see him. Where the fuck did my guy go? He's not even on the fucking screen for some reason. Why is he not even on the fucking screen? Slime don't even know the shipping in the chat. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm just trying to learn here. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea to do this live one stream, huh? Maybe it wasn't such a good idea. I can't even see this on the fucking camera, man. Whatever, I'm just gonna hide that for now, I suppose. How do I hide this? Yeah, okay, I'll hide that there.
and old, and I put it here. You can also give yourself a proper size. Now, what I like to do before I start developing any game is to choose for which type of resolution am I going to be building this. In this case, we're making a standalone game. Now, for standalone games, modern game would go for something like 16:9, so 1920 by 1080. That is way too big for us since we're using pixel art that is only 16 by 16. If we put that on a very large screen in HD, this is not going to look good. So what we'll do instead is we'll make a game that feels like old one, so something more retro. I will go under the game section over here, and instead of having the free aspect like we have right now, free aspects mean as long as you resize the window, it is going to match. We are going to choose
What aspect ratio then? Low quality. I'm just gonna see what this guy picks.
our very own aspect. So here I have 800 by 600, which is a really common resolution for old games.
800 by 600. Doesn't sound too bad. 800 by 600. 800 by 600. I'll just follow his instructions for now. Okay. There we go. My guy is still not... Why is he not on the camera? I don't know why he's not showing up on the camera, though, for some reason. He's not showing up on the camera. Which is very strange. Why is he not on the camera? I don't know why this man is not on the camera. Why are you not on the camera? This is a 2D sprite, right? Why is this not on the camera? How do I move you again? I don't remember. I'm stupid. How? He might not show up because of the Z location of the camera. I'm trying to figure out how to move this guy again. I forgot. So Q's that W should be moved. W, right? W. There we go. W is move. I can move him now. Move this over here. Why are you not showing up, bro? Why are you not showing up? That is very strange. My man is not showing up in the camera. I don't know why. Very strange. Very strange. I do not know why this man is not in the camera. Maybe if I put him on 0 as well. I don't know. 0. Try 0. Does that work? Does he show up on the camera now? He's not showing up in the camera for some reason. My man is not showing up in the camera. Whoops. Whoops. Let me try searching this up. Google. Unity. Sprite not showing up in game view. X-axis of the cam. What do you mean the x-axis of the cam? My cam. What do you want me to change? Rotation is 0, 0, 0. X? I don't know what you're talking about, man. I don't know what you're talking about. I said Z. What do you want me to change for Z? 0, maybe? 0? Maybe 1, perhaps? 1? Does that work? 1? No? I said Z, but what do you want me to change for Z? What do you want me to do for Z? You can either drag it. I'm trying, but nothing's changing. Also, I don't know how you drag it. Oh, there he is. Oh, there we go. Thank you for that, man. Thank you for that. Here we go. There we go. Okay. At least now he's on the camera now. He's at least on the camera now. I got him on the camera. There we go. I figured it all out by myself. No help needed. All by myself.
In case you don't have it there, you can click on the plus sign and manually add it by typing in 800 by 600.
Alright.
Alright, so now we have the fixed resolution. It looks
Alright, that is pretty decent. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too fucking bad. Okay, I can put this over here now. Not too bad. Alright.
somewhat like this, but it is still way too small.
Shut yo stupid ass. You sound like you're laughing and crying and speaking when your mom said no. That is exactly how I sound normally. That is a perfectly... You know what? I'm going to use that. The next time someone asks me how I sound like, I'm going to use that description. I'm going to use that fucking description on how I sound like. That's a perfect explanation of how I sound like, bro.
What we need to fix next is the camera. We're going to click on the camera, and then open up the camera component, and then we have to make sure that our projection is orthographic. This should be set by default if you decided to create a 2D project.
Orthographic? What the fuck does that even mean? That's for the camera, right? I don't know. Camera. Orthographic. Projection. Orthographic. Slime, you should time out Spanish skeleton. Sure, I'll do a fucking poll if you guys want to time it out or not. I don't know. I don't fucking care. Time out the Sans copy. The Sans knockoff. Sure. Should I time out the Sans knockoff? Your choice. I don't know if it's showing up for you guys. Hopefully it shows up for you guys. Anyways.
Project. If you made a 3D project, it should be on perspective, and it is going to be not really good for us. This is not going to be something we want. We don't want to have any perspective in our game since we are 2D, since we are flat. So let's put that back on orthographic. And then I'll put the size on 1. Having a size of 1 is going to make it...
Well, obviously it's gonna be no. I don't fucking care, man. I really do not fucking care that much. I do not fucking care this much,
So every
okay?
100 pixels you have is going to be equal
I'm just here trying to learn Unity here.
to a meter. So technically, if you'd like to stack those players one on top of the other, you can duplicate this by clicking on Control-C, Control-V, and then on orthographic. And then I'll put the size on 1. Having a size of 1 is going to make it so...
Size of 1. Okay, that sounds good. Live chat. Why the fuck is that? I can't even see the result of the poll, bro. How do I end the poll? How the fuck is the poll even done yet? I don't get it. How does this poll work? I'm so stupid I can't figure out how the fucking poll works. What the hell is going on with my stream? I have no clue. Honestly, I have no clue how this stream works, man. I'm confused. I'm so stupid. I have no idea how this fucking works. So is the fucking vote yes or no? I don't even know, man. Bro, why is this not working? I'm so stupid. Oh, jeez. Fuck. I don't know. Okay, so the answer is yes. I'm assuming the guy's probably gone by now. Probably fucking left. I don't know. But I guess I'll time him out now. Is he fucking gone? Yeah, he's here. He's fucking here. I'll just fucking mute him now. I'll put him on a nice stinky timeout. Timeout. That'll remove his messages. Yeah, sure. I don't fucking care, bro. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. I'm just trying to learn here, man. Did I end the poll yet? I don't know if I end the poll. Man, I'm so fucking confused today. What is wrong with me today? I don't know. Feels like I'm missing like 10 hours of sleep or something. Feels like I'm missing 10 hours of sleep. The answers were 3. There's 3 of us. Sure, we got a resounding yes.
So every 100 pixels you have is going to be equal to a meter. So technically, if you'd like to stack those players one on top of the other, you can duplicate this by clicking on Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, and then changing the y-axis to 0.16. And it is going to stack perfectly on top of the other one. Alright, so we pretty much fixed what we had to do. The next step is going to be to start coding the movement of this player. Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to start.
Alright, the movement. This is the good part. We're learning to code now,
I'm
finally.
sure that the class is really small in terms of scripting, but in case you've never coded before, make sure you actually follow, copy every line one by one, and leave some comments next to it. I will be explaining what every single line does. What you have to pick up if you've never coded before is just how to read the code and in which order, which we'll go over really quickly once we start coding.
I know a
Okay,
bit of
so
coding.
let's
I know the basic logic of coding, so I'm sure I can figure out.
take on our player over here, and let's add a component. Now,
Yeah, I've done the basics. I know the basics here. I know the basics. So, component, new script, movement. Finally, we are coding. Yes.
this is where you would choose what kind of component you want to add. Unity has a bunch, such as the box collider 2D, which we'll need in the future, but we'll want to create our own. So I'll type in player, and there's a couple over here. I don't want any of those. Player is going to be my own custom script. So let's go under new script, press enter once more. We're going to be coding in C#, of course. And then you should see.
I might rename it so I can have, Nah, I'm leaving though. See ya. Have a good day, Slivia. Have a good day, bro. Where are my components at? That's moved. I'm gonna rename this to player. Rename this to player. Player. There we go. There we go. Okay, that should, that hopefully updates, right? What the hell are those choices? I mean, I don't know, man. This guy doesn't know how to do emojis, I don't think. Can I rename this? I might just delete it. Might just fucking delete it. You having a stroke? I don't know what's going on, man. I'm just trying to fucking do this. How do I rename this? Dude, can I just not edit script, maybe? No. It just permanently says movement here. I don't know. I might just delete it. I'll just fucking delete it. Okay, I'll just delete it. I'll just delete it. Have a good day, Slivia, man. Have a good day. Have a good day, bro. What are you doing, fucking Miniman? What the fuck are you spamming my chat? I just cannot have a normal stream for once, bro. Bro, what the hell? Okay, new script. I'm gonna name this player real quick. I'm gonna name this player. Just to have the same name as the dude in the game. Why do I have 2 scripts named player? Okay, this is fucking dumb. Why do I have 2 scripts named player? What? Oh my god. I don't know what's going on here, bro. Reload this. Reload. Okay, hopefully this works. Okay, that was kind of fucking scuffed.
See that a new script has appeared. It is right here in your project folder and is also on top of the player. If for some odd reason it is not on top of your player, make sure you drag and drop this right here. And if you have 2 of those, you don't want that to happen either, so right click on one and remove component. Alright, so if we're ready, we're going to double click on player either here or down there. This is going to open up your default script editor. If you've never coded before and you just start using Unity, this is going to be model developed for you. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio 2017. And either one you're using is going to look something like that with maybe different color in the background, and just different interface. But what we're really looking for is the code. So I
All
mentioned
right,
earlier that
I'm gonna try to learn this. I am gonna copy his code, of course, but I'm gonna try my best to actually understand what he's doing.
show you how to read the code and in which order to read it. So if you've never seen a script before, you might have a little bit more ease doing so.
So as far as I'm aware, so void start is it like runs this code at the beginning of the game or whatever, like at the beginning of the program. Update is it calls once per frame, obviously. So it says right here, once per frame. So it does the code once per frame. That'll be good for like movement and stuff.
Once we're done with that explanation. But I also don't want to bore the more advanced user. So what I'll do is I'll create the script, I'll make the player move, and then at the end of this lesson, I'm going to go over how to read the code. So if you already know how to do that, you can skip then. Until then, we are going to be creating that script. So for this player to have manual collision detection, we're going to need some more information from the outside. And that outside is going to be the box collider. So we're going to need a box collider. I'll start by declaring a private box collider 2D that I'll just call box collider.
Alright, private box collider. I don't know why he deleted everything. Private box collider 2D. Why does it need to be private, though? I'm just curious. Why private? Why can't it just be a normal box collider? I don't know.
Now notice that this one is private, so I can't drag and drop it in the inspector. I have to manually get it in my code, and I'll do that in a private void start. So inside.
So private void start. Private. So this. Well, I don't get why. What's the difference between private and unprivate? I might search that up. Unity. Why private? Private. I highly recommend you read through it, but the simple version, yada yada. Now I'm gonna do unprivate for now. I'm gonna put public. But I put public. I'm so dumb. Put public. Let's see. So public, it can show up here. I'm assuming if I put private, it does not show up. Private. I'm assuming it doesn't show up there. I'm assuming... Yep, it doesn't show up. Okay, so I somewhat understand that. Whoa, that meanie. Where's the other Spanish skeleton? That's mean. Sorry if the other Spanish skeleton was mean. I'm so confused by what you're talking about, bro, but okay.
Instead of the start statement, I'll say box collider is going to be equal to get component box collider 2D.
Alright, so I'm assuming it's the variable is a box collider. We're getting another box I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Box collider equals get component dot box collider. No. Why is it red? Oh wait, that G needs. Wait, is capitalized? What? Ah, I see. I'm dumb. Okay, I need to do this, and this. Box collider 2D and like this, right? I'm not missing. Oh wait, no. I need two more fucking random brackets at the end. Why do I need random brackets? Probably because it usually is filled up or something. Hello, Red. Welcome to the stream, bro. You're kind of joining a weird stream. I'm learning to code today. I'm learning to make a video game. Very bad at it, by the way. I'm very stupid, so... Yeah, I'm very stupid. That's all I need to say.
Which means, if we are going to have the statement run, we're going to need a box collider 2D in our player, like 100% sure. If we don't have that, our script is eventually going to crash because we'll be using the box collider. What we can do is set at the top here, and do a require component type of box collider 2D. This is something that could work for you. I really don't like it so much. I'd rather have the error, because what happens when you put this is that you're going to manually create one on your player. As you can tell right now, it hasn't compiled just yet. Let me just delete that. Drag and drop here. As you can see, it put a
Hello, yes, hi, man. Hope you're having a good day, by the way. Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to the stream, bro. Red. Hope you're having a good day. Spanish skeleton. Where's the other Spanish skeleton? That one is mean. I'm nice. Ah, yes, a self-proclaimed nice guy.
box collider 2D manually there. But I also like to resize my thing most of the time, so I don't really like having the require statement. I'll go ahead and I'll remove it. And if we do end up forgetting to put our box collider 2D,
why would you private a void start though? I don't know why would you private a void start instead of just having void start normally? Why would you private. Okay, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Maybe it's just something that's not important. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need a box collider 2D, so I might as well add one now.
Well, we'll
I've
no
worked
reference
with
on
box
that, and we'll know
colliders
exactly
before.
what's wrong.
I know how to work
That
with a
being
box
said, if you do not have
collider.
a box collider 2D on your object just yet, now is the perfect time to get one by clicking on Add Component, Box Collider 2D, and make sure it is the size you want it to be. So in our case, we might want to click on
Oh
the
yeah, right. We need to resize it or whatever. My character is kind of like invisible right now. You don't need private keyword, but my guy added it for some reason. I don't know why he added it. We probably don't need it, but why did he add it? I don't know why he added it though. It auto privates if you don't have it. What happens if you do public void start? What happens if you do public void start?
collider, and just make this a little bit smaller on this end.
Yeah, we're gonna make his collision box a little bit smaller on this side, so it just fits the fucking head. Box collider 2D, box 2D would be private anyways, I see.
Really depends. You could also go for something even smaller
So how is your day, Suga Duddy? I don't know what the fuck you're talking. My day has been kind of meh.
than that. Say the air is not going to count in the collision, so something like this could also work. And let's get rid of the feed as well. So this hitbox is really going to be for the player to move around and also when he receives hits. Alright, so once it is completed, I'm going to lay down a private void. I would do an update, but since we're using physics and we're using the manual collision detection, we're going to have to do fix update. And this is going to update every time. Actually, fix update is going to follow the same frame as the physics. So this is really important. We are on fix update in this very specific case. If you're looking...
What's the okay? He says it's important, but let me try to understand what's the difference between fixed and
private
normal
void,
update.
I would do an update, but since we're using physics and we're using the manual collision detection, we're going to have to do fix update. And this is going to update every time. Actually, fix update is going to follow the same frame as the physics. So this is really important. We are on fix update in this very specific case. If you're looking for inputs, I usually don't like doing fix update because sometimes it might skip one. It's really, really rare, but sometimes it might skip some inputs. But in that case, we really don't have a choice since we're using manual collision detection. We'll also have our own formula that uses physics. Okay. All right. So what I like to do in a movement
Fixed update. Fixed update. I don't know what that means, but okay. Public void fixed update. Sure. I will not be timing out Mini. I will not be doing that, bro. Sometimes he deserves it. I've timed him out before. This would not be the first time, but today I'm not going to time him out.
update loop like this is to make sure I have one vector that is going to keep track of the delta movement every single frame. So I'll go
I know what a void is, but if you make a private void, yada yada. I know what a void is. It's that you you don't return anything, and like I know what like basic thing. I don't know. I'm stupid.
I'll declare a private vector3, and that's going to be a move delta.
Private vector 3D. Okay. Private vector 3D. Wait, what? 3D. No, you don't need 3. You don't need the D. Move delta. Do you want to be permanently timed out or do you want to be temporarily timed out? I can do either. Move delta. Delta. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try to understand this.
Delta means in between this frame that I'm rendering right now and the next one, what is going to be the difference in between my position and where I'm going to be. So by the end of this frame, we're going to be adding our player's position, our player's current position, with the move delta, and we'll end up where we want to be.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
This sounds a little bit weird like that. This sounds maybe a little bit complicated, but we're going to make sure it is not so much. At the very beginning of our movement loop, I'm going to make sure I reset the move delta. This is in case
Reset move delta. Okay. Reset move delta. Nether. This guy wants to go to the nether. Play Minecraft then, bro. Play Minecraft. You can go to the nether there.
well, actually, this is so on the new frame, so the frame after the one I just explained, we are going to just go back to 0. We might not have any input anymore. So we can say move delta is equal to vector.0. So
move delta equals vector 3.0. So we're resetting the delta every single time. Makes sense.
we start off fresh at the beginning. Then we're going to look for the inputs on the keyboard and add them up to the move delta. To do this, I'll declare a float x. That's going to be my delta in x. And we'll get that from input get raw axis or get axis raw with horizontal. So make sure this is a string. We call that horizontal. Get axis raw is going to return you -1
So input get axis raw float.
or 1 or 0. So it's going to return you -1 if you're holding A or the left arrow key. It's going to return you 0 if you're not holding any keys. And it's going to return you 1 if you're holding D or the right.
Okay, I get that. I understand that. I understand that. That sounds pretty basic so far. Pretty basic. Input float. A float is what's a float again? A float is a number with fucking decimals, right? I don't fucking remember. I'm stupid. Input input dot Get vexus raw axis. What's the difference between raw and unraw? What's the difference between raw and unraw? I don't know. Horizontal. What's 2 plus 2? Is that 5? I think it's 5, right? Float is decimals? Yeah, okay, I was right. I was right then. I was right.
Arrow keys. The reason I know which key I need to press to receive those results is because they are set in the input manager and we can find it under file, or sorry, edit, project settings, and input. If you go in the inspector now, check the axis out, and if you click on it, you're going to see that the negative button is left, so that stands for the left arrow key, and the alternate negative button is A. Positive is right, and alt positive is D. So you have your WASD set up in horizontal and vertical, and you also have the arrow key set up as well. So we're using horizontal and vertical for those reasons. Now let's do the exact same thing with Y. So we're looking
What is the power of 5? Is it 4?
at the
Oh,
axis raw. This
wait,
time,
what? What was that pause just there? What?
so we're using horizontal and vertical for those reasons. Now let's do the exact same thing with Y. So we're looking at get axis raw.
Alright, so the next one is just the same thing, so we can just copy and paste it. Copy and paste. Vertical. 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 Yay! Alright, 2 plus 2 is 8. Thank you. Is 8. Okay.
This time we're going to be using vertical.
Yeah. I get that. I get that.
And we now have
Wait,
our
do I
input.
need to capitalize them? I think I need to capitalize the first word, I think. I need to capitalize it, I think. Do I need a period? I don't need a period.
Left and right. Again, I'm going very slowly this time just so we can actually give some help and give some room for new people that are trying to understand. But let's do a small debug.log. I'm telling you this is not going to be as slow in the future, but just to make sure we can understand what's going on here, let's do a debug.log with X, and just if you need it, we'll do a debug.log with Y. Back in the game,
What's debug.log will show us if there's any errors, right? Debug.log X. Debug.log Y. Do I need brackets? Fucking quotations
going on here,
around
let's do a
that.
debug.log with X, and just if you need it,
Oh my god, I need a fucking capital. Okay, my L is capitalized.
we'll do a debug.log with Y. Back in the game, if we go under window, we pull out the console. I'm going to anchor the console down here since we have plenty of space now that we have a 800 by 600. You're going to see that every frame.
Can you
we
make the video bigger? I don't know why it's fucking acting like bullshit, man. My fucking automatic scene changer isn't working for some reason. I don't know fucking why. It's so garbage, man. Fucking garbage, I tell you. Let me try doing this. See if that works.
0, 0 in this case. And if we hold A, you're going to be seeing -1. If we hold D, you're going to be seeing 1. If we hold A,
So basically the debug will just tell us what we see. What we're doing, I mean. What we're just doing. Oh wait, whoops, fuck. Okay, let's run that. Well, what is going on? Why am I not getting anything? Why am I not... What did I save it? I think I saved it, right? Why am I not getting any debug? This is weird. I'm not getting any debug. My thing is not working like his is. Did I do something wrong? I feel like I did do something wrong, but I don't know. What did I do wrong here? Bro, what did I do wrong? It's not debugging. It's not debugging. Why are you not debugging?
A, and W.
Why are you not debugging properly? I don't know why it's not debugging. I don't know why you're not debugging. Let me wait, did I do everything? Okay, I think I might have figured out the problem. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. I did all that while in the game, so I could not save that. Okay, I'm stupid. I think I figured it out now. I figured it out. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. I'm telling you guys, I'm not stupid. I'm actually very smart. Very, very smart, I tell you. Very, very smart. Alright, is this working now? Please tell. Why am I getting so many bugs? What? Why is it not debugging? Okay, there it is. Debug. Okay, I saw a couple ones. Yeah, I got a couple ones. Yeah, I saw it. Okay, I figured it out. Sometimes, like, I run the game and I make changes while the game is running, so it doesn't save properly. That is very dumb, but it does do that
We're going to be
sometimes.
seeing -1 and 1. So as you can tell, the inputs we get are really based on our keys. And I'm just changing those by pressing on either the arrow keys or the WASD. Alright, so enough easy stuff. We're going to wrap this up. Make sure we put that
You're so smart. You're smarter than Elon Musk. Yeah, sure, man. Yeah, I'm fucking so smart. I'm like Einstein, bro. I'm like fucking Albert Einstein. So smart, man.
in a single little vector here. So we're going to move this at the top here.
Yeah, we're gonna move that to the very top. We're gonna move this to the very fucking top, apparently, I think. Yeah, we're gonna move this to the top. I'm pretty sure we don't need the debugs anymore. The debugs are kind of annoying. It kind of just spams the chat. Oh, hey, yeah, it'll work for a bit, and then later it just stops working for some reason. It doesn't work for Unity, though. It doesn't work for Unity. I don't know why it's not showing up the full fucking thing for Unity. I'm gonna try helping that. I'm gonna try deleting that again. I'm gonna try doing this again. Unity. Oh, Unity. Where's Unity here? There we go. There's Unity. I need help. I don't think there's anybody here who needs help more than me. Okay, there we go. That's back.
And when we reset the move delta, what I'll do is I'll just put those directly in here. So I'll do a new vector 3, x, y, and then 0. This way,
Equals delta x, y, and 0. X, y, and 0. Okay, let me try to figure this out. So, x and y becomes... Wait, do I need the dot there? Okay, I don't need the dot if I'm doing a bracket. So, x, y, and 0 will move... Wait, why is that not working? Oh, wait, new. I need the new. Okay, new. Okay, so now I think I understand. So, move delta is the... Wait, what? Yeah, I think we're not done the code. We're not done the code
at the same
yet.
time. So when we say reset the move delta, that is also true because we use those values here that we were going to put instead of the move delta anyway. Now we just collapse a little bit of code. Next thing we're going to do is swap the sprite direction, whether we're going right or left. So let's actually do that right here in common. Swap sprite direction, whether you're going right or left.
Swap sprite direction. Okay. Swap. Wait, whoops, wrong button. Swap sprite direction. Direction. Okay.
To do this, it's going to be fairly simple. So we'll take the input. If move delta.x is bigger than 0, if it is bigger than 0, let's make sure that the transform.local scale is going to be equal to, we could do a new vector 3, 1, 1, 1, which is the current scale it is on right now, or we could also do, to save some memory, vector 3.
If move vector dot x is greater than 0. Oh wait, no, it's move delta. It's move delta, right? Yeah, I'm stupid. Move delta, not move vector. It's move delta. So basically, it's saying that if it's moving right, then if it's x is greater than 0, I mean it's positive to the right. If it's negative, that means it's to the left. So if it's positive, we're gonna face to the right. But if it's negative, we're gonna face to the left, I think. Transform.local scale equals vector
3.1.
3
Because this one is static and is already declared.
dot 1. 3.1. So that just means positive 111 or something. You are smarter than all AIs. Yes, I'm very smart, bro. I'm so smart. I'm like a gigabrain, man.
Else, actually we have to do a else if, really important here. So else if move delta.x is smaller than 0, we'll do a transform local scale, and then we can do here a new vector 3, -1, 0, 0.
Oh, if else, we're doing else if, not just another. Why do we need to do else if and not just if? Fucking hell. Else if this is less than 0, yada yada. We can do -1 here.
Only changing the scale from 1 to -1.
Okay, 0, new vector, 0, new vector 3, -1, 0, 0. There we go. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works in Unity. Silly slime. He thinks he can code and play like people. Bro, I'm just trying to... I'm a learning slime here, bro. I'm a slime that's trying to learn, okay? There's nothing wrong with a slime trying to learn. Why the fuck did the guy disappear when I turned left? Why the fuck does he disappear? Why the fuck does my man disappear? My man fucking disappears when I turn left. I don't know. I don't know why he disappears when I turn left. I don't know. We're going to figure that out. Going to have to figure that out.
Depending if we're going left or right. Now, the reason I did the else if statement here, not just the else, is if we are on 0, because here, this is only if we're above 0, and that's only if we're below 0. If we are on 0, it means we're not moving on X, and we don't want to be flipping to a default orientation. So let's see what's going on in here. When I'm pressing on D, the player stays the same. If I press on A, you're going to see that E disappear. So why is that exactly? Let's actually find out. We're going to click on player, and we know we're
Okay, so he's going to explain why. He's going to explain why.
modifying the local scale. So let's have a look at these numbers here at the top. This is when we were pressing right, so that's vector 3.1, because it's 1, 1, 1. And when we're going left, we do get the -1 right, but then there's 0 in Y and 0 in Z, which means we just don't see this anymore. As you can tell, if we just scale this up, you're going to
why would he make us do 0, 0 then? Why would he make us do 0, 0 if he's going to just make us fucking disappear? Come on, you're anti-Stein. Because if you do 2 ifs, they will both run. Check for 2 if statements, thus making it less efficient. Who cares about efficiency, bro? Efficiency is for nerds. There we go. Now it works. Yeah, there we go. I'm shaking my head. SMH. This is me right now, shaking my head at the people in chat. SMH, bro. SMH. Me shaking my head here. Yeah. Yeah.
start seeing the player. So what we did in the code is we pretty much just shrink our player to a really, really small state where we can't see.
Now make it. If I make, why would I do that? It's gonna just. I would have to make a new sprite with it looking up. I'm not gonna just gonna rotate it 20 degrees or fucking 90 degrees, bro.
Right. So let's go back in the code and correct that mistake. Here we go. Small test again, really quick. That's right. That's left. Right. Left. And so on. So we got the position right. Now we have to make this thing move. So let's go down and say, make this thing move.
I think I understand how this works. Yeah, I understand the basic movements. Make this thing move. So we're gonna make the position equal to, like, we're gonna add the position to the fucking x and y values and the move delta. Wait, what's move delta again? It's the vector 3. Yeah, it's a vector 3. I'm stupid, man. You're going to be a I've always wanted to be one, but I'm too stupid to be one. I want to be one, but I'm too stupid.
Very simple. We can do a transform dot translate, and then translate using the move delta.
Transform dot translate. Like I understand most of the fucking logic behind it, but I don't know the code. Move. I worked in JavaScript a while ago. Like I fucking did it for something. I forgot, but I was able to do JavaScript or like normal. I forgot which Java it was, but I was able to do it for a bit. And it took me quite a while to learn it, but now I've completely forgotten all about it. I've completely forgotten everything about it. Everything about it.
And we're going to make sure we do a times time the delta time. This is really useful because if your game is running on a really low end device, it's going to be running super slow. And if you're running this on a very fast device, say that's running at like 120 FPS.
Times time. Wait, what? Okay, so this is gonna equalize the fucking frame rate or whatever. So that we're moving at the same speed at L the frame rate. Delta time. Not really sure about that exactly how
then
that
your player is
works.
going to be going faster on the faster device and slower on the slower device, which is unfair for the two-person playing the game. So if we do a time the delta time, we make sure to make that equal on both devices. Okay, let's give this a try. Now our player moves left, right, up and down.
Makes sense. Makes sense. We are moving. We are moving. We zooming, boys. We zooming. There we go. We zooming, boys. We zooming. You are smarter than all the teachers. Yes, I'm Gigabrain. I'm so smart, man. I'm so smart. Why? My genius frightens me because of how smart I am. My own genius frightens me. Yeah, I can move. I can move. I can move. That's the basics. That's the fucking basics. I spent fucking an hour and a half just trying to make my game move. I spent an hour and a half for this. You're a genius, slime me in space. Yeah, that is me, man.
We're going to be adding a lot more in the next episode as we do the collision detection, but at the moment that is all we need to make our player move, and I will now go on and explain how exactly the code is read, so this is going to facilitate the new user. But in case you already know everything that's going on, I do encourage you to step on to the next lesson. Alright, so let's
I understand how it works, but I'm just gonna
listen
to it
because Unity hides a lot of it. So a lot of what's going on in the background, a lot of how the code is supposed to run normally is actually hidden behind Unity, which makes it really simple to pick up at the same time, but you're not going to understand everything you need if you've never done code before, especially if you've never done C# before. Now, let me explain to you two things. Here, everything you see over here, this is a function, and everything you see over here, this is a function. These two are different from the variable you're declaring at the top here, or I like to call them fields. Now, these, in this very specific case, are a special function. What I mean by special is that we really didn't have to do anything to have those run. So at the beginning of your game, this was run, and then every single frame, this was run. So every single frame, it was checking for input, it was assigning the move delta, it was swapping the sprite, and it was making the player move. This was happening every single frame, and we never told anybody to do that. This is what Unity does in the background. If you actually match the function with the exact same name as would give you the callback, they call it, this is going to happen automatically. There is a couple that you can call at the beginning, like start. This is only ran once. There is also awake. You can tell that those are special because they turn blue when I finish completing it. So if I do awake like this, if I just make a mistake, this is going to be valid. It's still going to be in the code. I won't have any error, but this won't run at the beginning. Awake is a special call from Unity, and this is something we have to respect. Now, if you type in start like this is also not going to work because the one that Unity has a capital S at the beginning. As you can tell, it now turned blue. Now, why is this important? This is important because later on we're going to be creating our own function, something like private void on collect coin. So once we collect a coin, we do something. But those one, we're going to have to call them manually.
I have done where I've worked with functions before, so I understand the basic gist of functions, but I'm not perfectly. I can't fucking explain it perfectly, but I do understand how they work.
So say, if we want to run on collect coin at the beginning of your code, you could go ahead and just put it down here. Now, start is going to make sure to call it once it's done with all it needs to do. I'm going to go ahead and remove these and have a look. So code is read simply from up to down. Once you enter a function, you're going to have a look at the first line, then the second line, then the third line. If we went ahead and we did something like this, you're going to have an error. As you can tell, we have those little red underline that says cannot use local variable x before it is declared. And that is because at this point in the code, when it's running the fixed update loop, it says move delta is equal to
we read
x,
the
y,
top
0.
first,
But x
then
does not
to
exist
the
yet.
bottom.
X only exists on the other line of code, this line. And at this point, it's already too late. So you have to make sure that if you're using something, it has to be declared first or has a value, which is also why we reset the move delta every single frame. It is because we're using it down here. One quick thing before we go ahead and we close this very, very gentle introduction to the code flow is we're going to have a look at the top here for the variables. So variables are actually declared this way. So you start with the accessibility of your variable, whether it is a private or public. Protected, there is a couple. We like private the most because it cannot exit the class player. So right now, nothing outside of player could access move delta or box collider. So this is just the accessibility. Then you go ahead and you declare the type. And the type is a bunch of things. So type could be a lot of different things. At the beginning, when you start coding, you learn about int, you learn about float, you learn about strings. Now, a little bit later on, you learn that everything you create, every single class you create, also becomes a type. So I can say private player, and as you can see, it turns on with the right color. It just gives me the right to declare a variable of my own type. And that is pretty much it. I can't tell you much about that because we're going to get into really complicated explanation, which is why if you have a background code, this is going to help. And if you don't, just tag along. You're going to pick up some skill as you copy and paste, just like I did in the first place. Alright guys, in the next episode, we're going to be having a look at
I've also learned about classes and stuff as well. I just don't remember everything about it.
Cheers. Welcome back to another lesson. In this one, we're going to be going over collision detection, and we'll also start creating our walls and also another NPC we'll put in there, just so we can test collision against other objects and other NPCs or
sounds
enemies.
good.
So we're going to start off by
Unity has its own collision boxes and stuff, but I'm pretty sure that he's not going to use like the built-in collision. Pretty sure we're going to do it manually.
actually creating those walls and also that NPC. For that NPC, we can simply use the other player, drag and drop him in here, make sure he does not have the player script, and we're just going to move him, say, right about there. Make sure we also have a box collider 2D. So this is really something
what
in
the
here.
fuck did he
Make sure
do?
he does not have the player script, and we're just going to move him.
How much IQ got? It's about room temperature. My IQ is about room temperature. So it's like fucking, I don't know, 50, 40, 30, 20, 1, 0, negative 100. I don't know. Can IQ even be in the negatives? Alright, player 1. We got player 1 here, man. Got player 1.
Say, right about there. Make sure we also have a box collider 2D. So this is really something that we need.
We really need a lot of box colliders, huh? Oh god, why the fuck is this muted?
Test here.
Okay, let me go back into the Unity. Let me insert a box collider onto this guy. Woohoo! I love box colliders. I love boxes, man. Boxes are so cool. Who doesn't love a good old box, huh? Who doesn't love a good old box? I love boxes. I love boxes so much, man.
Make sure he does not have the player script, and we're just going to move him, say, right about there. Make sure we also have a box collider 2D. So this is really something that we need. This one needs to have a collision as well. And here we go. So we have player 1 that has collision. I'm going to rename this to test NPC. This way we don't confuse this with the real player. And then we'll need
test NPC. So, right. This guy's going to be the test NPC. NPC. Test NPC. That'll be you. Test NPC. This guy's an NPC. He doesn't know he's an NPC. But he is an NPC. Just like me. I'm an NPC.
need some walls. In terms of walls, what I was thinking is we can go back inside the atlas and start cropping just 2 pieces of wall. Let's go in the sprite editor. And let's take whichever one we want. I am thinking about this black block over here, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I just take this from the top and make sure this is 16 by 16, which it is right now. So I'll call this one wall 0. Hit OK.
Wall 0, okay. Atlas. Wall 0, okay. Sprite editor. We go over here, we create a wall. Wall 0. Wall, wait, is it underscore 0? I think he's put it underscore 0,
Like.
yeah.
And
whoops, I full screened by accident. Wall underscore 0. Bro, my fucking thing stopped working again. My fucking automatic changer stopped working. God damn it. Is it because I full screen? Is it because I fucking full screen? I think it's because
And let's go ahead and grab another one. Maybe this one. This is basically the color of the floor, so I'll grab this one as well. This one's
Let's see here. We do that again, but this time for the floor. For the floor this time. Oh, whoops, whoops. I made a mistake. Oh, shit. I am a mistake. My very existence is a mistake. My very existence is literally a mistake. Floor, I'm assuming this is going to be floor 0. Floor 0.
gonna be floor 0.
Yep, I knew it. I'm so smart here, man. I'm so smart. I knew it was going to be floor 0. Floor 0. We got wall 0, and we got floor 0 here. There we go.
And the floor, which is this color, and then the wall, that's gonna be black. Again, I'll hit apply, and let's head back. Okay, alright, so later on during the course, we're going to be dealing with tile map and the new tile editor for Unity 2017.2. That's going to be quite cool, but until then, we're going to have to place them manually. So I'm going to stack these on top of each other perfectly, just like it would be in the tile editor, and I'm also going to make sure that these two walls, at the same time, they have the box ladder 2D on it. Now I will...
So we're gonna have to place these boxes in manually. Save, sure. Wait, what do you do?
go ahead and take the floor, 15.2, that's going to be quite cool, but until then, we're going to have to place them manually. So I'm going to stack these on top of each other perfectly, just like it would be in the tile...
0. We'll put this to 0. 0. There we go. 0. Then I'm gonna duplicate this. This can be wall 0. 0.16. There we go. Perfect walls there. Perfect walls.
tile editor, and I'm also going to make sure that these two walls, at the same time, they have the box ladder 2D on it.
Oh,
now I will go ahead.
Okay, we need to add them. How do we add both at once? Can we add box colliders to both at once? I can. Okay, that'll be very
Take the
helpful.
floor, drag and drop it right in here, and I'll just place it somewhere close. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'll also make sure to stack this one 0.16 above. I'll copy it once and just put it here on the left. And once more like this. As you can tell, we're totally overshadowing our previous NPC. So now what we need to do is we need to start creating some sorting order and also some collision layers. So let's start by looking at the sorting order of the sprites. I'm going to click on player and have a look at the sprite renderer component. This is what exactly...
I'm gonna create some floors as well here. Make some floors. He said that doesn't need to be perfect, so I'm just gonna shove it there. Yeah, I'm just gonna shove that. Oh, that's not perfect. I don't like that. That bothers me. There we go. Gonna have to duplicate you as well. Control V. 0.16. And I'm gonna duplicate both of these as well. Duplicate you. Duplicate both of you. Gonna shove you over here. Okay, how the hell did that guy make it look so easy? I don't know how he made it look so easy, man. I have no idea how my guy made it look so fucking easy, but there we go. It's a little bit uneven, but who cares?
It's actually rendering the image you see. As you can tell, this is our sprite. Now, on this, you're going to see the
Wait, is there like a fucking I see what he did there. I see. Let me undo this. I want to make it a bit more even. A bit more even, you know, just a bit more even. Just a bit more even. There we go. Now it's more even. Spanish Skeleton, have you considered joining the e-cult? What, you guys inviting you guys into cults now?
there is a sorting layer, and this is what we have to play with. So click on it, add a sorting layer, and I'll call this one, if we click on the little plus sign, we can call this one humans, or creature, or whatever you want. So let's go and call this actor. Later on we'll have more, such as items and weapon, and hitbox object, but right now all we need is humans.
Alright, let's try this again. Where?
And I'll call this
Sorting layer. Where is the sorting
of the sprites. I'm going to click on player, and have a look at the sprite renderer component. This is what is actually rendering the image.
Sprite render. Alright, sprite render. Sprite render. Where is the sorting layer? Right here. Wait, what did he do with the sorting layer?
Image you see. As you can tell, this is our sprite. Now, on this, you're going to see that there is a sorting layer, and this is what we have to play with. So click on it, add a sorting player.
We need to add a sorting layer. Alright, add a sorting layer. Okay.
And I'll call this one, if we click on the little plus sign, we can call this one humans, or creature, or whatever you want. So let's go and call this actor. Later on we'll have more, such as items and weapon, and hitbox object, but right now all we need is...
So we need to add actor. So we are an actor. I'm gonna be a famous Oscar-winning actor.
humans, or actor, sorry. So under sorting layer for player, I'll be putting that on actor. make sure we do the same exact thing for the test NPC. And as you can tell, it is now going to pop on top of this.
So we're gonna put these both onto NPCs and people. I see. And here to actor. Why is actor above default though? Is actor just automatically above fucking default layer? I think
I'll
it
be leaving the
is.
wall and the floor on default layer. So that's perfect for what it does right now. Remember that we do have colliders on those walls, but we don't have collider on the floor. We don't need any collider on the floor. We'll just be able to run freely on there. Now, what we have to do next is we have to split the collision layers, and that is really important for a few reasons. The first one being you don't want your player to run into other NPCs or actors, and you don't want your player to run into walls, but it could technically run on top of a switch, which also has a collider, and it could technically run on top of, say, healing fountain, that also has a little trigger area where you get healed. So you have to choose what you actually get blocked from, and we'll be blocked from what we call blocking objects and also NPCs or actors. So we're going to go ahead and create those two layers right now. To create a layer, I'll go on the very top right here, click on Add Layer, and that layer is going to be
Whoa, why is there so many fucking layers? Jesus Christ. What did he press?
right now. To create a layer, I'll go on the very top right
So he
here.
went to a wall and pressed on layer. Oh my god. So layer, add layer. That's a lot of layers. Jesus Christ. Holy crap, that is a lot of layers. We'll have to figure out this how
Click
this
on
works.
Add Layer, and that layer is going to be blocking. And for the user layer 9, we'll also add something called Actor.
Blocking and actor. Okay, so those are going to be our two working layers. Blocking and actor. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, home? But the cheeseburger, humblebee, bumble, cheeseburger. Okay, bro. Okay, whatever you say, man. Whatever you say, bro. I do not know what you are saying in chat, but okay, that works, I suppose. I guess. I think. I don't know. The second one is actor. So, wall. I'm gonna go back to add layers, wall. Okay, so layers are the different types of layers, obviously. Wait, what was the other layer again? Actor? I put wall by accident. I meant actor, not wall.
Once you do have those layers, they are not applied automatically, so you have to go back on the walls and make sure you select both walls, put that on blocking, and then go on the NPC and on the player at the same time, and put that on actor. This is something we won't have to do for every single wall.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper, 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 hamburger, cheeseburger,
we'll have
Big
everything covered
Mac,
under the tile map, of
Whopper,
course.
hamburger,
Alright, so now the game
cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper, hamburger,
It's properly set
cheeseburger,
up. We have
Big
both layers
Mac,
and the NPC on the actor layer and the walls on the
hamburger,
blocking layer. We're going to go
cheeseburger,
ahead and open up
Big
the dialog
Mac,
script once more
Whopper,
and do our modification here.
hamburger,
Our current problem right now is, of course, the player goes through any breakpoints, including the blocking layer. So we go back in our code, and instead of a code, we're going to declare a field at the top called the raycast hit 2D. I'll just call it hit.
What the fuck is? Why are we using raycast already? I don't know deal what that means, but okay. Private raycast 2D. Why are we doing raycasting already? Raycast hit 2D. 2D. What does that mean?
This one's going to be useful for us because we're going to be casting our player's collider box where it should be in the future, and we'll check, are we allowed to go there? And if we're not, we're simply not going to move. So let's make indeed.
Alright, hit. Hit. I'm a hit star, you see.
Between these two calls right here and go right in the middle, and we'll say hit is going to be equal to physics 2D box cast, and we're going to be doing a box cast in our current position, so transform the position with the box collider size, and the angle is 0 since we never really rotate our player, and then we'll do a direction on here. So the direction is where we're supposed to go in the future. Now, we're only going to be doing it one axis at a time in case we need to only move one axis at a time. So we'll
Wait, I'm so confused. What? So hit equals physics 2D dot box cast. So it casts a box in front to see if it
here.
hits.
So the direction is where we're supposed to go in the future. Now, we're only going to be doing it one axis at a time in case we need to only move one axis at a time. So we'll do new vector 2, 0, and let's do move delta y first. So up and down first. And now the other thing right here is distance. So we get the exact same.
I'm confused. What? Okay, I'm just gonna go with it. He'll explain the code to me later. He'll explain the code to me. I'm sure he will. I'm sure he will. I'm sure he will explain the code to me. Yes, you guys are just spamming hamburger, Big Mac, cheese, Whopper, thingy-majiggies. I don't know, man. Hit equals physics. No, that's physics material. Physics dot. That's physics 2D. Physics 2D dot boxcast box cast. I'm assuming I need that fucking bracket at the end. Transform. Wait, why is box cast underlined? Is that transform dot position? That's undercase. Transform dot position. Zero. Wait, no, that's not zero, right? That's box collider dot size. How big is the box collider? I don't know. I don't exactly understand this one, but I'm sure I'll understand it if I keep on watching the video. Dot new. Do I need a space? I don't know if how like picky Unity is with spaces. New vector 2D. Do I need a 2D vector? Or is it a normal vector? It's just new vector 2. Okay. 0, 0, comma. Move delta y. Move delta dot y. I'm so confused. I am confused. Okay, let's continue watching the video here.
Distance as we would in the translate. We have to do the time
Okay.
delta time as well. So let's do math that absolute. We're gonna start by casting
What? Suddenly we're doing math again?
this. Since it's a distance, you don't want to go in.
Math f dot abs. Okay, I don't understand that. Math f dot abs. Don't know why they're talking about abs now. Is it like abstract? I don't know.
Direction. We're gonna do move delta dot y times time the delta.
I do not understand that, but okay. Move delta times time delta. I'm assuming that's what it wants me to do.
Delta time. This is gonna give you the.
Move delta dot y. Honestly, I don't understand this so far. I'm gonna try to understand this. Math f abs is getting the absolute value of the thing. I'm gonna see.
And finally, this is either result, but in our case, we're gonna be using layer mask instead to know which layers are we testing this against. And we said we're gonna be testing this against actor and also blocking. So we have to do something that's going to regroup both of these layer masks together. We can do layer mask, get mask, and now this takes in a param, so you can pick as many layers
This
as you want
one
in
is
here.
a
They are
very
limited.
long code. I don't understand this so far. I mean, I understood everything up to this part, but layer mask dot get layer mask. That's not layer. Layer mask dot get mask. Jesus Christ, that is a long ass fucking code.
As string, so the first one is gonna be actor, and the second
So we're gonna insert actor and blocking.
one's gonna be blocking. Wrap this up, and we finally have our very, very long function called for the box cast. Now, if our box cast did hit something, that means that we can't go there. This is impossible. We hit something that's either on the actor or on the blocking layer, and we don't want to overlap. So if hit.collider is equal to null, that means we can actually move. Since we haven't hit anything, collider is null, we did not have any result on our box cast, that means we are.
Okay, so I understand the logic. So like cast is a box of where we want to go. If we hit something, if we actually collide, we can move. But if it doesn't collide, we can't move. The question is, I don't understand this code right here. I understand the logic. I just don't understand the code. If null or something. If what? If null, right? If hit collider equals null. If hit dot collider equals null. Did I do that wrong? No, it's double question. It's of course it's always double. Null, then what happens if it's null? Everyone spam E now. Please do not spam E.
Are allowed to move. And now we're going to take this, bump it up here, but as you can tell, we've only tested against the y-axis, so we have to change this a little bit. Instead of doing transform.translate with this, we're going to do transform.translate, and it takes in this right here. So instead of passing him a full vector 3 like we do right now, we can pass him 3 floats instead. So let's go ahead and do that. First one's going to be 0. We're not.
Alright, so we're going to move this upwards. How do we move? How is that fancy? What was that fancy thing he did? Where he moved it? Oh, it's alt. Very fancy, very fancy. I figured that out. I see. You guys are spamming E now. Okay, great.
Moving on the x-axis simply because we only tested the y-axis. Y is going to be move delta.y times.
Okay, so we're only going to move the Y here. 0 and dot Y. Makes perfect sense. Why is that underlined
The
red?
delta time, and finally z is also going to be 0.
Z is going to be 0. Okay, makes sense. I'm assuming we're going to do this for the X values as well. This is only the Y. It's still fucking long
Right,
as
so we have what we
hell.
need right here. Let's make sure we add a little bit of comments at the top here. make sure we can move in this direction.
Make sure we can move by checking collision. Thingy, ray box thingy, I don't know, I don't understand. That'll be my comment right there. Because I do not understand the code so far.
By casting a box there first. If the box returns null, we are free to move. This is for the y-axis. Let's duplicate this, copy and paste.
Yep, copy and paste. The mighty copy and paste technique. Mighty copy and paste technique. Okay, I think I understand this part. I can just copy and paste this. Put 0 there. And put this to x. See, I understand a bit. But not a
Do
lot.
the exact same thing for the x-axis. So same as before, but instead of doing a new vector 0 and move delta y, we're going to be doing move delta x and then 0. Change that for an x.
Alright, so we'll do x instead of 0. Okay, we put this to that. Let me try to understand this code real quick. Let's try to understand this code. So hit equals physics.2d.boxcast. I'm assuming that fucking command just like casts a box. Transform.position. I'm just confused with this super long thing right here.
And if we do end up moving, then of course, move delta x, 0 for y, and we should now be good to go. So let's have a look at what this gives us.
Alright, let's just see if this works. First of all, we'll see if this works, and then we'll fucking try to figure this out and understand. Alright. Now I just can't move. Now I'm just permanently stuck. I can't move now. Help. I can't fucking move. Did we do something wrong or did they do something
During the
wrong?
game. Now you're going to see that the player doesn't really move. It doesn't do anything we want it to do, so it completely stopped moving, which means that every time it tries to cast, doing a box cast, it always hits something, even if we're going in the right direction. There's nothing on my right. Why does it still collide with something? Well, the reason is quite simple. It collides with himself, because himself is on the actor layer as well, and this is needed because
Oh shit, bro. We're colliding with ourselves.
them to go through the player. So if we put our player on something else, such as default, you're going to see that now he moves. So the only reason that he wasn't able to move in the first place is because he hit something on the actor layer. As you can see right
Makes
here.
sense.
Now, of course, we don't want that. We want to make sure the enemies actually collide with the player. So what we have to do is turn off the game and head under the Edit project settings and change something inside the physics 2D. So under the physics 2D,
Can't we just make another layer for ourselves? Like, why do we need to, like, do something super fancy? Hello, Secret B. A Roblox developer joined your stream. Hello, man. Hello, man. Welcome to the stream, bro. Hope you're having a good day. I'm trying to create a game right here. Very confusing, and I'm very
turn off the
dumb.
game and head under the Edit project settings.
Edit project settings. I'm very stupid. Hello, man. How you doing? How you doing, Secret B? Lol, you keep running into problem. Okay, I only had that problem once, man. I literally only had that problem once. I'm not having that problem again.
And change something inside the physics 2D. So under the physics 2D, there's going to be a bunch of things you can mess around with. You can mess around with the gravity, you can mess around with a lot of different things. But what we're really looking into right here is this. Queries start in Collider. So we want to turn that off to make sure that our player ignores it.
I honestly don't understand what some of his things are, but I'm going to try. I understand the logic. So queries start in colliders. I'm assuming that somehow fixes my problem.
As you can tell right now, our player is right here. He's on the actor layer, so he's on the one we need him to be. And if we press on play, he's now able to walk.
Okay, can I move now? Am I able to move? Please tell me I'm able to move. I'm still unable to move here. I'm still unable to move for some reason. Why am I unable to move? Okay, I don't know why I'm unable to move.
Also, as you can tell right now, our player is right here. He's on the actor layer, so he's on the one we need him. So we want to turn that off to make sure that our player...
Did I do something wrong with my code? I don't think I did anything wrong, right? Huh. Strange. So, Slime, how's your day today? It's horrible, honestly. Fucking horrible. God awful, I tell you. Fucking awful. These random people in my chat are being weird. I'm just trying to fucking figure this out.
ignores himself.
Yeah, it's not working for me. That's not working. Maybe if I put you back to default, would that work? Even after I put him back to default, it still does not work. Why does it not work? Clearly, I'm doing something wrong here. Let's look at his code again.
Well,
Maybe I typed something wrong. I think I might have typed something wrong here.
change that.
Maybe something in the comments might help me. Nope, comments won't help me. Nope, not helpful.
That's for an X. And if we do it,
What is wrong with my fucking code? Blocking or actor? Blocking and actor. In theory, this should work, but it's not working. Oh, there's no collision. Wait, what? I didn't add a fucking box 2D to my... Oh, wait. Okay. Will this work now? I'm kind of an idiot. Okay, now it works. There we go, people. We figured it out. Yay, let's go. We figured it out. Woohoo, baby. We figured it out. Let's go, baby. Baby, we figured it out. Okay. Still kind of very scuffed, though. So, we're gonna put this back onto the actor layer. We're gonna put this right here. Yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice. I might have to start banning people in my chat, but okay. What? Why can I still go right and left, but I can't go up? Okay, this is kind of confusing. I don't know why I can walk straight through them. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Oh, shit. I put Y here. Shit, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Might have to start banning people in chat, you know? I might have to start doing that. I don't know. Do I have to start resorting to the ban hammer? Okay, this should work now. In theory, this should work. Yeah, okay, that works. The collision box is a little bit off, though, I must say. The collision box is a little bit off. Why you say too many bad words? Fuck you, man. I don't know. I don't fucking know, man. Yeah, okay. I think I got it to work, but the collision is a little weird. It's very off, I must say. There's like a little bit of space in between the boxes.
we end up moving, which means that every time it tries to cast, well, the reason is quite simple here, is because he hits something. What you have to do is turn off the game and head under the headed project settings and change something inside the physics 2D. Looking into right here is this. Queries start in color we need them to be, and if we press on play, he's now able to walk. So he totally forgot about himself. He's no longer.
So you lied to me about not caring about spam, I trust. You guys are just being annoying, man. I don't know what to say, bro. You guys are just being annoying, chat. I don't fucking know, bro.
Colliding with himself, but if we go and check this NPC out, as you can tell, it's blocking. And I'm still holding A, so I'm still going left, but I'm not blocked from moving if I decide to go up. And as you can also tell,
why the fuck is his fucking hitboxes like so normal? Why are mine... My hitboxes suck. What the fuck is wrong with my hitboxes, man? Why are my hitboxes like this? Why are my hitboxes so far away while his are so close? I don't know why what is wrong with my hitbox? What is wrong with my fucking hitbox? Jeez.
Is blocking me as well. So if we do go ahead and left,
okay, I need
to
to figure out the hitboxes here.
And as you could also tell, the wall is blocking me as well. So if we do go ahead and just for testing purpose, we create a box collider on this floor. This floor is currently on the default layer. If we go on it, we actually walk right through. So this is perfect. This is exactly what we needed, and this is why we use different layers. Alright guys, so this will conclude today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed. We did some manual collision detection, and we'll have...
Check on the player while you run the game. You can see the collisions then. I don't know. Okay, let me see here. It's not showing the hitboxes though. It's not showing the hitboxes for some reason. I'm gonna move this out. It doesn't show the hitbox while the game is playing. I'm clicking on the player. It's just not showing the hitbox. I'm saying. Doesn't show the hitbox. Doesn't show the fucking hitbox, man. I'm telling you, it doesn't show the hitbox. Anyways, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break here, man. Separate the games. Okay, bro. Okay, jeez. You don't have to be so fucking annoying, man. Jeez, man. You don't have to be so rude. And this guy's hitbox is kind of weird, so I'm gonna fix that real quick. How is this test NPC's hitbox? These hitboxes are fine, so I'm not sure why they're weird. Oh shit, whoops. Yeah, I don't know why there's such a large gap between hitboxes, man. That's weird. Why is there such a huge fucking gap? I did the code correctly. I know I did the fucking code correctly. Or did I? Did I do something wrong? I might have done something wrong. I need to double check. What did I do wrong? I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break here, or else I might actually just go fucking insane. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. You guys stay hydrated, grab a drink or a snack or whatever. I'll be back in a bit. I'm back. Oh boy. Why are you encouraging Minnie to spam, bro? Why are you doing this? I don't know. I have no idea what the fuck is going on. Alright, let's try figuring this out.
So let's have a look at what this gives us during
Let's
the game.
try to figure it out. What did I do wrong? I also have a bowl of chips here. I swear to God, if you spam one more time, I will fucking put you on timeout, bro. I will put you in fucking timeout like a fucking child. Like the child you are. I'll fucking put you in timeout, bro.
Of X, 0 for Y, and we
I have a bowl of chips with me right now. It's very good. I like chips. I like chips very much. What did I do wrong?
I'm going to select this little guy as well.
Maybe he made
Player
his hitbox a
and
lot
player
smaller,
0.
maybe?
Okay, so last episode, what we've done is we created some player sprites using the atlas. They are right here, that's player 0 and player 1. I am going to go ahead and drag and drop player 0
Or how long will I be in timeout? I don't know. How long do you want to be put in timeout, bro?
anywhere in the scene, as you can tell it's fairly fair. I am a proper site, making a since we're using a game that feels like the old one, so something more retro. I will go under the game section over here, and instead of having the free aspect like we have right now, free aspects mean as long as you resize the window, it is going to get is the camera. We're going to click on the camera, and then open up the camera component, and then we have to make sure that our projection is orthographic. This should be set by default. We don't want to have any perspective in our game since we are one is going to speculating on Control C, Control V, and then changing the Y-axis to 0.16, and it is going to stack perfectly on top of the other one. All right. So we pretty much fixed what we had to do. The next step is going to be to start coding the movement.
And
really
yeah,
small
I
and
need to
scripting.
make
So
sure
in case
if
you've never
he,
coded before,
I
make sure
want
you
to
actually
know
follow
if he, like, makes the hitbox smaller or not. Because my hitbox doesn't work well for some reason. It's just, like, it's way too big. Even though it's not, like, fucking, I don't know. I actually have no idea what's going on. Do not know what the issue is. And for some reason, the hitbox is, like, super far for some reason. I don't know why it's so far. Even though the player is right here. This is clearly, it's not touching the wall. The wall is right here, so it's clearly not touching the wall. Yet for some reason, I can't, like, get close to it. Like, the hitbox is very weird.
copy every line one by one and leave some comments next to it. I will be explaining what every single line does. So let's take on our player with future, but let's go under new script. And is also up for you. In my case, I'm using interface, but what we're really looking for might have to move the box collider. So we are going to have this box collider. What we can do is head at the top here and do a require component type of box collider 2D. This is something that could work for you. I really don't like it so much. Compile just yet. Let me just delete that. Drag and drop here. As you can see, it put a box collider 2D manually there. But I also like to put art just yet. Now is the perfect time and just make this a little bit small. Could also work. And let's get rid of the fig as well.
Oh, so he does make it smaller. He makes it very small. He makes his box collider very small, it seems. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I don't know why the box collider is not accurate. I don't like that. The box collider is not very accurate. I'm not a huge fan of that, but okay.
So
It genuinely bothers me that hitbox is not accurate. I do not like the fact that the hitbox is not accurate. Why is the hitbox so inaccurate? Why? I don't get it. Why? It doesn't make sense to me. Grinchy, I took a shower, made food. You're only 30. Okay, I'm stupid, okay? Man, you know I'm stupid. Like, bro, why is this hitbox fucking, like, so bad? What? It makes no sense. This fucking hitbox makes absolutely no sense. What? Like, I followed the code. This is the code. I don't know if, wow, this fucking code is good or bad. I don't know. And it's fucking... Bro, you have not seen a real roast if you thought that was a roast, man. You do not know the definition of roast. I have to make the fucking hitbox smaller, or the collision smaller, because the fucking, it's annoying. It's fucking annoying. I have to fucking edit this. Bro, I told you to do Okay, you know, Brackies also has problems too, man. I don't fucking care, Mini. I don't fucking care. Why is everyone here so judgy? Jesus Christ. Why is everyone here so fucking judgy? It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. It's a fucking box collider hitbox. Thing is, it doesn't, like, okay, let me show you. This, so, like, my fucking, okay, you know what? I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care. If I have to make it smaller than normal, I'll make it smaller than normal then. Jeez. See this? Even though the box collider is right here, I still can't fucking touch it. Yeah, the thing, no, okay. Okay, whatever. You know what? I don't fucking care. I'm not gonna explain this, bro. I'm not gonna explain it, bro. I'm tired. I'm just gonna fucking try to solve this. You know what? I'm not gonna fucking bother. Hello, LJ Faye. What is that? I'm trying to game develop here, and I am very bad. Very bad. Do not understand how bad I am. I'm just very bad here. This is very difficult, okay? Don't judge. Don't judge. I'm stupid, okay? Just assume that I'm stupid. I don't know. I'm struggling. I'm struggling with a fucking collider box. I'm actually struggling with a fucking collider box here. You know what? It worked. If it works, it works. Okay? I don't fucking care. I'll learn to make it more professional next time.
this hitbox is really going to be for the player to move around and also when he receives hits. Alright? Transform the position of x. Now when I use transform the position of x, you have to... If delta x is bigger than bound x, it will mean that we're outside of the bound axis is smaller than you look at position of x player. But if we go and check the transform the position of x,
Let's
settings and change only test against the y axis, so we have to change this a little bit. Instead of doing transform,
I ain't better though. Game development is hard, man. It is hard. It is fucking hard. I'm struggling.
translate with this, we're going to do transform.translate, and it takes in this right here. So instead of passing him a full vector tree like we do right now, we can pass him 3 floats instead. So let's go ahead and do that. First one's
This 8-hour course is gonna be a fucking doozy. I'm gonna fucking suffer so much in this 8 hours.
D0. We're not moving on the.
Yeah, it's 8 hours. I'm definitely not finishing this today, but I'm gonna try finishing this eventually. This is only a fucking simple RPG game. This is a fucking simple RPG game. I can't even do it.
The x-axis simply because we only tested the y-axis. Y is going to be move delta bit of comments with the button. Y, we're going to be doing move delta x and then 0. Change that for an x. And if we do end up moving, then of course, move delta. Now you're going to see that the player doesn't really move. It doesn't do actor layer, as you can see right here. Now, of course, we don't want that. We want to make sure the thing inside the physics 2D. So under the physics 2D, there's going to be a bunch of things you can mess around with. You can mess around with the gravity. You can mess around with a lot of different things. But
I'm not doing a physics system either. I'm doing it manually. The guy is it's like he did the manual collision system, so it's technically not a physics system either. I guess doing it manually is a different whatever. I don't know. I'm stupid, okay?
what we're really looking into right here is this. Queries start in collider. So we want to turn that off to make sure that our player ignores himself. As you can tell right now, our player is right here. He's on the actor layer, so he's on the one we need him to be. And if we press on play, he's now able to walk. So he totally forgot all the. If we change x8, and if the player escapes, simple camera. A little bit more later on when we create weapons and the combat system. Other than that, I will see you in the next lesson where we'll tackle a really, really simple camera.
Alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to another lecture. In this one, we'll be having a look at creating a camera that's going to follow our player around. But we'll make sure to give it a little bit of twist, a little bit of interesting.
Like 26,000 okay, you're smart. I'm not smart, okay, bro? Your name is Grinchy. The Grinch is smart, okay?
Factor. What we'll do is we'll draw a square in our screen just like this. And if the player escapes that square, then we're going to move the camera. So this is not just a normal camera that you could attach to your player and just leave it there. It's going to be a little bit more interesting and also a little bit more customizable. So let's go and create a new script on our camera. We're going to click on it, head over to Inspector, and create a
Alright, so we're gonna add a script to our camera then. Okay, what are we gonna call our script?
camera motor. I like to call it camera motor because this is what will be driving the camera movement. And since we're here, let's also take these two new scripts we've created in the past episodes and put it inside the script folder. The camera movement. And since we're here, let's also take the.
So we're putting the fucking scripts into the script folder. Makes sense, makes sense. Damn, a week? Most of it was mostly just the same code changing variables. I see. Okay, I'm dumb, okay, man? Don't compare a dumbass to me like you, okay? It's like comparing dirt to gold, okay? I'm dirt, you're gold. It's not a fair comparison, okay? That's just beating down. You're fucking beating down on me right now. It's not fair. Stop trying to bully me. Okay, stop bullying me. Camera motor. Was that the name of the thing? Why is this not working? What? Okay, whatever. I don't fucking care. Camera motor. Camera motor. I'm trying my hardest, okay? I'm trying. Bro's eating chips. Okay, fuck off. I'm hungry. I like chips. Chips are delicious, man. I'm eating veggie chips right now. I'm pretending to smoke weed as I eat these chips in between my fingers.
These two new scripts we've created in the past episodes and put it inside the script folder.
Yeah, I'll put this inside the script folder as well. I can code in Java, C#, Lua, TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python. Okay, bro, you're just flexing at this point. Open up your eyes real wide. When I open up my eyes wide, it just looks like I'm happy. It just looks like I'm happy, you know? Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna continue the video.
Now we're going to open this one up and double click on it. In our script this time, we're going to need a couple.
Wow, that is crunchy. Holy shit, that is crunchy as fuck. That is a crunchy ass chip. Crunchy ass chip.
Of things. The first one is going to be a public field, so a public transform that are called look at. This is basically
Public transform look at. Okay. Public transform look at. Was that capitalized? It probably is capitalized. Look at. Me can only code in Python, C. Okay, that's pretty impressive. I can code in nothing. I can't code in anything.
just going to be the player. We could also use this value later on to put focus on some other object in the scene that is not necessarily the player. But in our case today, we're going to be using look at as
the L is not capitalized there.
if it was the player. Quit.
What?
We are then going to create two public float, one called bound x and one called bound y. Now these are the square I was talking about. How far away can the player go in x before the camera starts following him? I'm going to go with a very small value such as 0.15.
Okay, public float bound f. Public float bound. I did not spell that correctly. God damn it. Public float bound x equals 0.17f, was it? Coding sucks. I mean, it is a necessary evil to make games. Unfortunately, I don't like coding either, but it's what I have to do in order to make games, you know? Not gonna lie, math is pretty necessary for game development. Yeah, game development is kinda shitty. I don't know. It's kinda confusing for me. I'm dumb.
Now let's do bound y, and this one's going to be even smaller because if we move on the y-axis, it should be a little bit faster to snap.
Okay, makes sense.
Alright, so now we have our value. It is time to write our algorithm in the update loop. So let's go ahead and say private void update. Now, update is not going to cut it, just like we had to do a fixed update for everything physics-based in our...
This apparently needs to be private.
player.
Okay.
We have to do a late update for everything that is camera-wise. The reason is really, really simple. Late update is being called after update and also after fixed update. Now, if we actually move our player in the fixed update, if he's not standing still, he's going to move, then we have to make sure we move the camera after he's done.
Alright, late update. Late update. So it happens after the update. So that happens afterwards.
That move. Because if we do it the other way, we're going to experience a very, very small desync that is going to be quite annoying to the user's eye. As the logic is concerned, just think about it like it's a normal update. Okay, so we're going to start by declaring a vector tree that I'll call desired, actually I'll call it delta. Just like the player, this is going to be a
Vector 3 delta. Vector 3 delta. I'm literally just copying everything he does at this point.
difference in between this frame and the next frame. So we're going to start by initializing it to vector3.0. We will first start by...
Wait, what the fuck did I just... Wait, what? The fuck just happened? Why did it suddenly just fucking glitch out?
Start by checking if we're...
It equals vector 3.0. Equals vector 3.0. Why is that? Okay. Well, mine's mixed, so it's not bad. I learned level design and animation, writing, 3D design, 3D modeling, program, lots of stuff. Who's Spanish skeleton? Someone very annoying.
out of the bound on the x-axis by having a float delta x, and this one is going to be the lookat vector .position.x minus the transform.position.x. Now, when I use transform.position.x, you have to think that this is the center of the camera, so the middle point where our camera is. This is the focused area right now. And what we do is...
So, float delta x equals lookat position x. Yeah, okay. I we'll figure this out. I'll figure this out. I'll figure this shit out. Oh man, my brain is not working today. I mean, my brain never works, but okay. Delta x. Man, game developers are fucking inhuman or whatever. Fucking subhuman. Those, okay, I don't know the right word, but like superhuman. That's the right word I was looking at. Game developers are like superhumans, man. I cannot figure this shit out. And like fucking game developers make it look so casual. Now I'm just here being stupid. Fucking not knowing what the fuck I'm doing. Position, transform. Position. Is that position X or? Yeah. Fucking game developers are superhuman, I swear to God. Those guys aren't human. Those guys are like fucking superheroes.
is we get the distance in between that focus area and the player. If this is bigger than bounds x, it means we're outside of the bounds. So we're going to go ahead and have a look right here by doing an if statement. If delta x is bigger than bound x, it will mean that we're outside of the bound towards the right. But this can also happen on the left side. So we're going to do a or statement and say delta x is smaller than minus bound x. This will mean, of course, that the player is on the left side and is outside of the bound. Now in here, I do a or statement.
Okay, I'm dumb. Okay, we'll figure this out. We'll figure this out. So if delta x is larger than... If delta x is larger than bound x, bound x, I suppose. So bound x is the fucking border on the outside. So if this is larger than the border on the outside, then we're gonna move, I think. I don't know. Delta x... You know, maybe I just shouldn't do gaming. I shouldn't do fucking, I don't think I should do this. I don't think I should do coding streams or game development streams. I'm very bad at this, man. Maybe I should just stick to playing video games. A dumbass like me would never be able to fucking make my own game. I'm just too stupid, bro. Way too fucking stupid.
But then I have to check whether it's left or right so I can add the proper value.
Are you gonna cry? What? I am so confused with what you're talking about, bro. Do you want to be banned?
And we do that by doing if transform dot
Maybe. I don't know, man. This is just really hard. I don't know. I'm just dumb.
position dot x is smaller than look at position dot x. So we check which one is on the left and which one is on the right. Here we check, is the center, the focus area, the middle of the camera, is that smaller than the look at? Is it smaller than the player? If the focus of the camera on the x-axis is smaller than the look at position of x, player's position
Okay, let me try to understand this again. So you're quitting game development? Maybe not. I don't want to quit, but this is kind of really hard for me.
is smaller than minus bound x. This will mean, of course, that the player is on the left side and it's outside of the bound. Now in here, I do a or statement, but then I have to check whether it's left or right so I can add the proper value. And we do that by doing if transform dot position dot x is smaller than look at position dot x.
I
So
mean, I can probably, if I copy his code, and I probably do it, but like, I want to understand it. But the thing is, I don't understand it. Maybe don't do game dev stream. If I don't stream it, I'm probably just not gonna learn it. I think, I don't know.
Here we check it.
I might do a couple more streams, see how it goes. I at least want to finish this video, at least. I at least want to finish this video. Transform dot position dot you can always make a game dev video after like Danny. Well, Danny actually knows what he's doing. I swear to God, Spanish Skeleton, I'll fucking mute you again, bro. You are being very annoying, man.
Is the center, the focus area,
I'm
the middle of the camera?
trying to game dev here, man.
Is that smaller than the look at? Is it smaller than the player?
Okay, I'm gonna look at position. Dot x is greater than look at position. Look at dot position. Position dot x. What he do, man? What the fuck did I do? I don't know, man.
If the focus of the camera on the x-axis is smaller than the look at position of x, player's position in x, it means that the player is on the right and the focus of the camera is on the left. So we're going to add.
Okay, so like, okay, I'm just gonna try to understand this as I keep going.
On top of the delta position. So delta dot x is going to equal delta x minus bound x, just like this. Else, it means we're on the other side. So delta x.
Delta is the movement, right? Minus bound x. Bound is the border. So if, okay, I'm just gonna delta x. Delta x. Oh wait, that's dot x. Well, I'm dumb. What did I do? That's delta dot x equals delta x. Why did I press the wrong thing? I don't know why I pressed the wrong thing. Minus bound x.
X is going to be equal to delta x plus bounds.
Okay, delta dot x equals delta, I don't know, delta dot x. So if it's to the left, then we move to I'm Spanish though. What? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. You guys are weird. Chat's very annoying today for some reason.
Now this is to check.
Not very helpful when I'm struggling so much in fucking trying to game develop here. This is literally so fucking annoying. But okay. I'm gonna try to figure this out.
Inside the bounds on the x-axis. We're going to duplicate this, copy all of that.
But this is for the x-axis. This entire thing is for the x-axis. You wouldn't understand, Jelly Boy. Of course I don't understand. I'm too stupid to understand anything. My entire life I've been so stupid. I can't fucking understand this confusing ass logic. I'm so stupid, bro. I wish I was smarter. If only I could, like, I don't know, exponentially increase my IQ magically, that would be great. This is the check, if inside bound of box.
And we'll do the exact same, of course, for the y-axis.
X-axis. That's for x-axis. Inside x-axis. Okay, we're gonna duplicate this for y-axis as well. I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but for y-axis this time. Delta y. Delta y equals this. Delta y. Pretty sure it's the same exact thing, except we replace everything with y's. Delta y. Okay, then fucking say what we have to help you, bitch. I don't need your fucking help. Just don't be fucking obnoxious, man. You actually just sound like a fucking 5-year-old kid who learned how to swear for the first time. Which is technically what I do. Honestly, that's what I sound. Okay, that's not a very good insult, because I swear like I sound like a fucking kid as well. Just pretend I did not say that, man. You know what, every insult I just used, I could literally be applied to myself as well. I am also very obnoxious. Position Y. So I'm pretty sure these are not capitalized. I'm pretty sure this is lowercase. Lowercase.
Axis. So I'll just be swapping those x for y's, including the bounds. I'll use capital letters here.
Yeah, okay. See if this works. I don't know if this is gonna work magically or not. I don't think this is gonna magically work, but maybe we'll see. We'll see here. We shall see. We shall see. We're gonna move this over a bit. Alright, let's run this. Let's run this. Come on. Cross our fingers and hope this works. Nope, does not work. Okay. Maybe there was an extra line of code that I didn't see. Probably is an extra line. Wait, did I save? I think I saved, right? I probably saved. Yeah, I probably saved. Okay, we probably didn't finish something. Okay.
And just change every x you see.
Oh, yeah, we didn't set
y.
the camera yet. We didn't set the camera. We didn't set the camera to the right position or whatever.
There we go, let's have a double check. That seems good to me. We can collapse that and collapse this. And finally, we have to move our camera. So we'll do a transform.position is plus equal. So we're adding on top of our...
Yep, transform.position. Position dot. Okay.
current position. And let's just add delta.
New vector. New vector.
X and delta.
New vector 3. So I get the new vector part. So this entire thing was to figure out how much we're moving the camera if we do move the camera. And this is when we do move. Okay, I say do move the camera a lot, but this is when we move the camera. This line is we move the camera here. This is basically the backbone of the code where we move the camera. Dot x delta
Dot y. And of course, 0 for
y and then 0. Wait, what? Why is this delta? Okay.
easy axis. We don't want to close. You're going to hit the near clip plane, and you have our main camera that has click and hold, and dragging it in the lookout field. This way you'll see the player 0 pop up. Sorry, on the y-axis, but you can tell that there is some room on the x. So we have some playing space right here, and if we get too far away, the camera starts following us. But if we just stay in the middle like this, it is not going to bother us. And I just realized I've done a typo right here on the last.
Yeah, okay. I was like, why did he do delta y, not delta dot y? I was kind of confused there for a sec. Delta dot y. Okay, so delta dot y. That's how you. Okay, there we go. And then we just drag the player into the fucking camera, and that should be good, right? That should be good. We're supposed to look at the player. There we go. It's a little bit confusing so far. And why did my fucking camera just fucking go flying? What did I do wrong all of a sudden? What did I do wrong? Okay, let's
You get too far away, the camera starts dot y and not delta y.
What? What the fuck is my
Back to my
fucking
game.
YouTube doing? What the fuck is my
We now have that little room, very, very small amount. The last, very last.
Okay, so delta new vector. So this is plus equals. I think I'm doing this correctly. Float dot equal. Okay. Oh, whoops. I did not change. Wait. What? This is X. I didn't change this to Y. Okay, that's my problem. I didn't change it to Y. I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. There we go. That should have solved it. That should have solved it right there. Okay, that should solve it. That should work now. Should hopefully work. Problem about coding is that you make a lot of problems, and yeah, it works. Look at that, perfect. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, but it does indeed work. Although scuffed, it is work. What the fuck is that jolting? That's like fucking weird. Yeah, it's twitching for some reason. Why is it twitching? I don't know what that weird twitching is, but okay. There's a weird twitching in my... Hello? Why is the thing twitching? And the camera stopped following me for some reason. There's a weird delay sometimes. I don't know if the thing addresses
Last
that.
line, this is delta.y and not delta y. Now back to my game. We now have that little room, very, very small amount of room in between the x-axis and the y-axis. You can also modify those manually right here in the inspector as the game is running. And that is because our fields are public. So what if we try something like 0.3 in x and 0.15 in y? So we have enough space in y, I believe. As far as x, this is also fine to me. So I'll be rolling with these new values.
Okay, so there is a weird delay for me. It isn't for him, though. I'm not sure if it's a me issue, or if I did something wrong, or what. There is a weird delay glitch thingy-majiggy. I'm gonna change that to 3 and 15 here. 3 and 15. I'm gonna do that. 3, 15. Change this to 3 and 15. Does it change in here? It does not, I don't think. No, it does not. It gets kept here. So this is public. I just walked off forever. Oh shit, it is delayed. The fucking thing is delayed. Why is it delayed? I don't know why it does that. Hello, why does my game do that? I don't know. Why is my game so bugged? They make it look so easy. But then my game proceeds to fucking glitch like this. Hello? Camera? What is my camera doing? Jesus Christ, bro. What is my camera fucking doing? My camera is fucking bugged, I tell you. My fucking camera is haunted. My camera is fucking haunted, I tell you. Camera is fucking haunted. My camera is fucking haunted.
0.3 and 0.15. When you stop the game, however, those are going to be reset at what they were before the game started, so I'll have to re-input them manually when the game is not running. Alright, so that should conclude it for the very second section of this course. In the next one, we'll create an actual level, and from there, we'll be creating objects, we'll be creating some enemies, we'll be creating a combat system. I hope you tag along because the next one is to transform the position.
You love coding. I have a lot of... Oh, I don't know if you're sarcastic or not, bro, but...
X. Now what is
Oh god, I get nightmares fucking coding, man.
Also add that
So
the player
many issues.
is the top.
Why is there issues? Why am I having
It
issues,
means we're on the
bro?
other side, so delta x is going to be equal to delta x plus
Probably. Like, I'm literally following a guide, doing it step by step, and I'm still somehow having problems. I'm having problems, even though I'm doing this step by step. I don't know how. I'm just so fucking stupid. I am just so fucking stupid, man. I'm doing things exactly like they're doing. So I don't know why they have a fucking... Why there's a glitch. And that, I don't know. Very confusing here.
Now this is to check if we're inside the bounds on the x-axis. We're going to duplicate this, copy all of that, paste it.
Come on, bro. Why is this fucking weird? Why is the camera glitching out for me? I don't know. I think it might be my computer. I don't think there's anything wrong with the code. I think it's just fucking my computer. There's something wrong with it or something. There's just something wrong with my computer or like my fucking settings that's causing my computer to be like that.
And we'll,
Yeah, I think there's just something wrong with my
on the
computer.
y-axis.
I just think there's
It
something
is now
wrong
going
with
to
my
bother us.
fucking
And I
computer.
just realized I've done a very, very small amount of room are publics. This is what they were before the game's in section of this course. In the next one, we'll create an actual level, and from there, we'll be creating objects, we'll be creating some enemies, we'll be creating a combat system. I hope you tag along because the next one is using the new combat
Yeah,
editor, and it is
I struggled so fucking much with just creating a fucking movement system. This is difficult with just creating a fucking movement system, man. What is wrong with my fucking camera, bro? What the fuck is wrong with my camera? Camera, what the fuck is wrong with you? I genuinely have no clue what the fuck is wrong with my camera. I have no clue what the fuck is wrong with my camera right now. Are you using? Yeah, I'm using fixed update. I'm definitely using fixed update right here. See? Wait, no. Fucking, I'm an idiot. I'm an actual idiot. Wait, no, wait. I'm using late. This is what we're supposed to be doing. He said late update. He said that this is the right update.
And from there, we'll be creating up.
I'm gonna go to sleep. You're fucked. Yes, I am fucked, man.
Alright, so
I
to
am
conclude,
super
what they were,
fucked. I have no idea what's going
so
on
you're rolling
here.
in 0.50 right here in the my game, butter us.
I am kind of
Fold,
fucked. I
and
have
dragging
no
it
idea
in,
what I'm
filled out,
doing.
Except we are orthograph easy access. We don't want to be
He's using late update as well, so I am doing the right thing. I am definitely doing the right thing right now. Try fixed update. Okay, I'll try fixed update, I suppose. I'll try a fixed update. Fixed. I need ED as well. Fixed update. This should work. In theory, everything is working, but the camera just glitches around sometimes. I don't know why. I don't know why the camera is just glitching. That's weird, and I don't like weird. You know, the camera glitch is still there. I don't know why the camera glitching is still there. I don't know what's wrong. Nothing, like, it doesn't... Yeah, I don't know why. It's inexplainable. Fucking inexplainable, I'll tell you. It's like, did you went back and yeah, I fucking like Zawado or no, that's a fucking killer. I don't know, man. I just fucking like glitch all over the place. It's like I paused time for a second, started moving around. I don't know. It's weird. I'm gonna use late update again. And something is just weird here. Something is just wrong, and I don't know why. I'm pretty sure I followed the code exactly how he did it. So I don't think it's the code. Maybe it's fucking how I set something up, maybe? I don't know. But the camera is really bad. Camera is really bad. What about the bound? In theory, it's nothing wrong with it. It should work. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I feel like it's just my game or something. It's bad. I don't know. Like, can you see anything wrong with it? Because I don't. I don't see anything wrong with my code. Unless I did do something wrong. Oh, shit. I'm a dumbass. Fucking hell. I am a dumbass. Okay, I put that in there. Okay, I'm a dumbass. I'm an actual dumbass. Let's see if this works now. Let's see if this works now. What? Okay, oh, I see. I am a fucking dumbass. That's all I'll say. Will this work? Why am I getting an error? What? Why do I have an error all of a sudden? What did I do? What? Wait, what? Why do I have an error? Shit, what? Did I do something wrong? Why do I have an error? Okay, I'm confused. Okay, let me do that. Let me, put this here. Okay, this should work now. I think this should work. I am a fucking dumbass. I put it inside of the if loop because I'm an idiot. I'm an actual idiot. I'm a moron. I'm actually dead. My brain does not function. This is a live experiment on a person without a brain here. Alright, now the problem should be solved. Now the problem, yeah, it is moving smoothly now. So smooth. It is smooth like butter. Smooth like fucking butter now. God damn, that feels good to fix it. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. Oh, man. I spent 2 hours creating a fucking moving system, man. I spent 2.5 hours on this moving system. 2.5 fucking hours for fucking moving.
moving on the z-axis ever, and you
I
always
swear to God, physics and fucking things are the most confusing things for me, man. I am always gonna be bad at
That's something like
physics.
-10 we are at right now. Because if you're too close,
Yeah, I figured it
That's
out. I
our
figured
fault.
it out.
this is what they were before the game's second section. On
I'm gonna be real. I still don't exactly understand how the logic behind this works. The code, I mean, the code. Look at position.x. That's a lot of confusing shit. That is very confusing. Do you still have fixed update? No, I don't. I have late update. I switched it back to late update. I switched it back to late update.
Creating different rooms for the game. The first thing we'll be doing is we'll get rid of all these nasty floor and also walls that we've been putting there just for testing purposes.
Yeah, let's remove all those nasty floors and stuff. These were just for testing purposes, you know? Just for testing purposes.
Now we're going to create them using the awesome new tool Unity has for us. It's called Tile Map. Now to do this, we're going to need some tiles. So we're going to go under the artwork folder, click on the atlas again, and we're going to start sketching out some more tiles we can use. So right now we have the wall 0 and the floor 0. We're going to need some more. Of course, you can use all of them if you want, but I will be going over a very specific one that we will be using for the gameplay. Like this one over here. This is going to be a healing fountain that we can use in the game. Now, what is really amazing with this atlas right here is that everything is really 16 by 16. So everything is made out of blocks that are 16 by 16. Like this over here. The healing fountain is something we'll be using, but as you can tell, it sounds a little bit weird. We take all the empty space, but this is something that is required so we can have this piece right here, then that piece right there, another piece that also has some floor on it. This is going to be really useful when everything needs to be placed next to each other. And we'll give this a try. So the first one right here is this block. I basically cropped
Alright, so now we just need to create a bunch of fucking tiles and stuff. Basically, I already know how to do this stuff. I'll just create a bunch of tiles. You guys won't be able to see this. You guys can't see the window. Because I didn't create a fucking window for that, but you guys get the point. I just need to fucking create a bunch of tiles here. Just need to create a bunch of tiles.
16 by 16, starting at the very top here. And like I said, it looks like it doesn't make any sense right here because we take so much empty space, but everything's going to be made out of 16 by 16 blocks, so this is actually required. Let's go ahead and go down here, say, healing fountain, and this is going to be
healing fountain
_0.
Healing. I might name that HF0. HF0. I'm not going to fucking spell out healing fountain this every single time. So just HF0. HF1. HF. That's going to be HF1.
going to be multiple part to it. So let's go just rename it. Make sure we do the exact same
Are
thing.
you making a... Well, I mean, what do you think, bro? Yeah, I am trying to make a game. I'm trying to make an RPG here. I'm trying to learn as I do it as well. I'm trying to learn. But unfortunately, I am kind of stupid, so...
So take a 16 by
But
16
I am
block.
trying my best, okay? I may look dumb. I may look like a bumbling buffoon just wiggling my fingers around. But I am trying my best here. Hello, Danny, man. Welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream here. I am not playing a game today. I'm learning to make a game today. Hope you're having a good day, bro.
Block again, just like this. And this is going to be the healing fountain _1.
Yep, HF1. I'm pretty sure I already did that. Yep, HF1. Now we just need to do HF3. I mean, HF2. Late yet again. Yes, you are late again, bro. You are late. Why are you always late? HF2. Perfect.
And finally, one
I
more
don't
time.
know why this guy starts with 0. Why do you start with 0? I mean, like, technically, that doesn't really have a meaning if we're naming just files, right? Technically, we just start with 1, 2, and 3 instead of 0, 1, and 2. Makes that less confusing, but I don't know. That's code language or whatever.
16 by 16. So healing fountain.
HF2,
So
yeah.
here we go. We have this right here. So let's see what else we could have. I'm thinking about cropping this at the top here. All of this part, actually including this. Oh, sorry. Including this. And have this as a whole object. But like I said, everything has to be cropped in 16 by 16. So I'll go ahead and go to the very, very top here. And start slicing those one by one. Always making sure I have 16 by 16 down here. So we'll be calling this wall _
What? What do you mean, what, Mini? What are you confused by?
1. Because we already have wall _0, which is this black here.
Wall _1. Okay. In a list that always starts with 0. No, I mean, I'm not talking about a list. I'm like naming the sprites. Like, why would he name the sprites 0? Like, it doesn't have to do with the list. It's just naming the sprite. It's just naming the sprite. So I don't know why he I don't see the point in like putting a 0 there, since we're just naming sprites, you know. Okay, that's gonna be 0. That's gonna be wall 1. Wall 1. Say, I'm so stupid and not smart. Yeah, I'm so stupid. I'm not smart. You are very correct, Spanish Skeleton. You are right. I am stupid. How'd you know? How'd you know? What about me made you think that I was smart? I mean, stupid. Of course, I am stupid. You are right on that, though. You are very right, bro. You are very right. Wall. This can be wall 2. Wally? Wally? What is Wally doing here? I don't know, bro. To make it easier to use if you're using it. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a very good programmer. I'm not programmer. I wouldn't know. I'm just asking a question. I'm just asking a question to myself, you know?
And we're going to keep on going like this. I invite you to crop as much as you want. Of course, the more you have, the more you can make your level look good. In my case, I'm thinking about grabbing this and grabbing some floor, different color for the floor, like the one you saw down there.
True. Okay, nice. And then I'm gonna create another square here with wall 3. Wall 3. There we go. Fancy wall 3 there. Wally.
there, and maybe the crates. And after that, I think we will be good to go. And then after that, we'll also grab those right here, just to create some kind of animation, see how that works, and how we can change sprite over time. But now, for the moment, I will go back to slicing these, making sure I always have a 16 by 16.
Say, I'm so stupid and not smart. I'm so stupid. I'm not smart. I'm stupider than even Musky Elon and AI and drawing they gonna make. What's that even mean? What does that even mean, man? What do you even mean by that, bro? I am confused, but okay. Okay, man. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna question it. I'm not gonna question it, man. Not gonna question it. 16 by 16. That's gonna be wall 4, right? That's wall 4, right? Or is that wall 3? That's wall 4. Yeah, that's wall 4. I can't count. I need to go back to the alphabet. I need to learn the numbers again. I can't fucking count. I'm assuming this could be wall 5. Yep, I'm an idiot. Wall 5. Wall 5. And then we're gonna do wall 6. Wall 6. Then wall 7. Wall 7. Wall 8. Wall 9. Fantastic. I've created 9 walls now.
By 16, and they are. Make sure, of course, you don't move the Ealing fountain at all. The exact
Oh,
same
we're
thing I've
doing
done,
the
but this time
ground
for
tiles
these
as
floor
well
right
here.
here. Make sure, of course, you don't move the Ealing fountain at all. So this is going to be floor 1 and up.
Floor 1.
Also, just realized that my naming convention is not constant, and that's not something you want to have. So as you can tell here, everything starts with a small letter. But for the Ealing fountain, I think I took some caps. So let's go back and change that. Ealing fountain written this way. And this was 1, and this was 2.
He is inconsistent, just like me. I'm glad to know that the guy making this video is also a human and not a superhuman.
Alright, so we're going to feel better about ourselves later on for that. So I'm going to go ahead and start cropping all the floors.
Floor 1. Okay, we're gonna crop the floors again as well. Oh boy, we're gonna crop the floors. Man, game developers, though, they are insane. Game developers are fucking insane, man.
Okay, so now we have the floor as well. We have the...
Oh god, okay, so he did that in an instant. He just fucking cut that. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this by myself then, I suppose. No video to tell me what to do. I mean, I already get the gist of how to do this. I just need to fucking crop the floors. You guys can't see it. I'm not gonna fucking show it on screen because it would be too much work. But you guys can understand from the video what I'm doing here. Just fucking cropping some floors, you know? Very boring to watch, I must say. Very boring to watch since I'm literally just cropping floors. Literally just cropping floors here. Just cropping the tiles for me to use. This is floor, what was this? Floor 5? 5? I can't speak for some reason. I can't fucking speak. Floor 6. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I made the width 15 pixels instead of 16. I'm dumb. Why did I do that? Why did I make it 15 instead of 16 pixels? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? I don't know. I don't know. We're not even halfway there. Oh god, shit. Why would we, okay, I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe I should have just made my own tiles. Maybe I should have just made my own tiles. Instead of relying on this super complicated floor plan. And we're on floor 7 now. Floor 7. And floor 8. This is gonna be a bit of a long process. There's like what? What's 3 times 4? 12? I'm on 8. So it's gonna be quite a while. Honestly, this is probably shit. Normal people would not take this long, just fucking cropping a floor. But a stupid person like me would take this long. Floor 9. Floor 9. Now floor 10. Floor number 10. Floor 10. Floor 11. And floor 12. 412. Alright, even a dumbass like me can finish this easy-ass job.
This floor clutter here. What I'll be doing is I'll head over here to the top and also get those stairs.
Ah,
But I
we're
really feel
doing
like having two
stairs
square
as
space
well,
on top here.
bro.
As you can tell, they are above the line, so I think we'll be cheating just a little bit and grab one less pixel in this down there.
Bro, you're
Let's actually see if
fucking...
it works. So I'm going to create my first stair, and that's my second one.
Bro, my man, we're doing stairs as well. We're not done. I thought we were done. Okay, we're not even done yet, bro. Okay, we need to do stairs as well here. Stairs as well. Okay. Okay. What is this? Stair 1, stair 2, stair 3?
16 by 16, we get all the color we need, and that's how we're going to be cheating this one a little bit. So let's call it stairs 0.
Stairs 0, stairs 0, stair 1, stairs 1, stairs 2, stairs 3. I don't know. What am I saying? What am I saying? Stairs 0, stairs 0. Ah yes, down these stairs. The strongest One Piece character down these stairs. That would be stairs 2. And this is going to be stairs 3. Stairs 3. There we go. Fancy. There we go. I've done what I needed. Perfect. Say I'm stupid? Okay, I'm stupid. Why do you want me to keep saying I'm stupid, man? Why do you want me to repeat that?
This is stairs 1, and let's get the other side.
All
As you can tell, this is really something you can play around. You don't have to follow all the rules. You don't have to follow the rules that the creator put. You can just do whatever you want at this point.
Yep,
You crop exactly
sounds
what you need.
good.
It's starting to look good. We could go ahead and crop some more. I'm thinking about the pillars down here and also the pillar up here. They're a little bit different. One of them has a wall and the other one doesn't. So I'll go ahead and grab those and the crates as well. So I will be back once it is completed. Alright, so now we have the pillars and also the crate.
Oh
the final
boy,
thing that I will actually do
Jesus Christ, we have to do more. I mean, we don't have to do more. I suppose this is not a requirement. This is just something he added so that we can do by ourselves. No, say stupid. You're stupid, not smart. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why do you keep repeating yourself, bro? I don't know why you keep repeating yourself, man. Do you have dementia? Dementia, whatever you I don't know, I'm stupid. So I can't pronounce words correctly because I'm stupid. But yeah. Dementia. Just repeating the same word over and over and over. I'm gonna increase that height here. 'Cause I'm very short. Very short. Short court. Yeah, at least I'm getting the hang of this. I can do this pretty quickly. I'm on pillar number 3. Pillar number 3. But I'm going to name it pillar 2 for some reason. But I always have to include that 0 in there as well. I'm going to increase this one more. There we go. This can be pillar 4. Pillar 4. Wait, is that pillar 5? I don't remember. What pillar is that? I don't remember what pillar name that is. What pillar is that? That's pillar 3, not pillar 4. Say I'm stupid, not smart. 3:03 p.m. Spanish skeleton says I'm so stupid. I don't know what you're doing. Are you having a meltdown, bro? Do you need... I can be your therapist, bro. I'm not a very good therapist, but you know, if you need someone to talk to, you can always talk to me, man. I'm always here, bro. If you need some help, man. If you need help, I'm here, bro. I'm here if you need help. I'm here to help if you need help, bro. If you need help, I'm here. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'm not always here. I'm not always here, bro. I'm not always here. That is a lie. I'm not always here. But I want to be always here. That would be great if I could be a full-time streamer. Say I'm stupid? Yeah, I said I'm stupid. What's wrong? Okay, I can't do that. Why is this so fucking annoying, man? So, pillar 3. This is pillar 3. I know, you guys can't see anything I'm doing right now. You guys can't see anything that I'm doing right now. But, just use your imagination. I'm just cropping out a bunch of pillars and stuff. That's basically it. Nothing too fancy.
here in this cropping session is I'll grab those torches one by one. This way we can actually use them and animate them later on. So I think those are also 16 per 16. So let's just make sure we do a 16 per 16 square and try to match it perfectly where it would fit everywhere. And as you can tell, this is not really, this is not fitting the 16 by 16. We'd have to actually move one block like this and have 2 of those sprites every time we have one torch, which is not really fun at this point. So what we'll do instead is we'll create our own size for it. So I'll go say right here in the middle, grab the highest point, and that is something like 15 or 12 by 21. So we'll be using this size instead for every single one of these. Let's go ahead and put that one at the beginning.
Okay, 15 by 12, or was it? Okay, we're not, at least we're not gonna have to fucking do that by every two. No, say I'm stupid? Yeah, okay, that's what I just said, man. That's what I just said, bro. That's literally what I just said. I don't know what you want, man. I don't know why you keep trying to make me say I'm stupid, bro. Like, I know I'm stupid. Why do you want me to repeat it? I don't know, I'm confused.
12 by 21.
So 21 by 8. 21 by 8.
So we'll be using this size instead for every single
21 by 8. Okay. Bruh, what's wrong? I don't know why you're bruhing, man. I do not know why you're bruhing. Torch 0. Torch 1. Torch 2. Torch. Gain any progress? Yes, I have gained some progress. It's pretty minimal, but it is progress nonetheless. I've created a walking human being now. After 2.5 hours, my character can now walk. I know. I'm so stupid, man. I'm after 2.5 hours, nearly 3 hours, my character can now walk. I know, so much progress, bro. So much progress. My character can now fucking walk. Can you use keys to walk? Yes, I can. The WASD, WASD to walk now. Oh man, it took me so long. I'm so stupid, bro. I am stupid. This is why I'm the most stupid person in existence, bro. Fucking 3 hours just to create a walking system. Holy cow. 3 fucking hours. To create solid man. Imagine creating an actual game and spending fucking 3 hours to create a walking system. Yeah, and then creating a fucking 3 years to create an inventory system or something. I don't know. Yeah. Be more appreciative of your what skill? What skill do you see here, bro? What skill do you see here? I don't know what skill you're talking about, man. I do not know what skill you're talking about. Right now, I'm just cropping out a bunch of tiles. You guys can't see my thing what I'm doing right now, but I'm just basically cropping out a bunch of tiles. It's on another window, so you guys can't see it. But basically, just imagine me cropping a bunch of tiles here. I'm cropping a ton of tiles. What's this? Torch 7, I think? Torch 7, Torch 6. You should make a... Bro, I can't make a normal fucking game. How can I make a Roblox game, man? I'm just stupid. Okay, that's Torch 8, right? That's Torch 8. Finally! Please tell me we're not doing anything
one of
else.
these. Let's go ahead and put that one at the beginning. I'll call this one Torch. Zip, Torch 1, and so on. So you get the whole idea behind this. We're just remaking the rules and this very specific torch. Alright, so we have a pretty nice sprite sheet with a lot of nice sprites on it. We make sure to cut everything so it works. So everything is 16 per 16, which means we'll be able to use it pretty much anywhere in the tile map, for the exception of these little torch here. In case we feel like we do want to have them in the tile map, which we don't have to do that. Like, if we don't want to do that, we can also just put them on top, which is something I think we'll be doing in the end, since those ones are going to be special and animated. But if we actually want to use them in tile map, we'd have to revert to using something that is more, that is 16 by 16.
Making Roblox game isn't that hard, bro. I am struggling with making a walking system. I don't think Roblox is gonna be fucking, yeah.
As you can tell, you have the square space to do it, so you can actually use this. Go up to 16, so that one is 16 by 16, and just drag it down here as well. It's really hard to see because it's really, really light, but you have the space to do it. This guy that made the texture is, pretty good at making sure everything was blocked in 16 per 16. Now, after all that hard work, make sure you hit apply. We're going to be taking this inside of the game engine.
Oh my god, imagine I didn't hit apply after all that. Oh my god, imagine it's like, nope, I forgot to press apply. All my work for nothing. It's fine, dude, bro. Fucking hell, man. It is not fine. I spent 3 hours making a walking system. 3 hours, bro. By the time I finish this game, I'll be 68 years old. 1 year away from my prime age.
And you'll be seeing all of that spawn inside.
It took me a week to make an NPC dialogue system, and a day for the walking system. Bro, a day can be anywhere from a minute to 24 hours, depending on how much time. I could say that I spent my entire day, like, I don't know. I don't know, bro. It should be, bro, that I just fucking struggling here, man. I'm struggling.
So in the next lesson, we're going to open up the tile map. We're going to set up a tile map in our scene and start designing our very first map. Right, so at this point, we should pretty much have a lot of those right.
I absolutely hate adding models and textures to Roblox. I imagine it being quite difficult.
So we can use in our tile map. So a lot of little tiles that are all 16 per 16, at the exception of those torch. We'll do something else with that in the future. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the tile map by going under Window, Tile Palette. So this is where we'll do most of our work. Now,
Alright, so this is the tile palette here. You can do it. I probably will continue doing game dev streams. Do you guys want me to continue doing game dev streams? I don't know if people actually want to watch this or not.
in the future.
I might play
so we're gonna
video
go ahead and
games.
open up the tile map by going under Window, Tile Palette.
Yeah, tile palette. Windows and tile palette. Tile palette. Where is tile palette? What? Did I? Where is tile palette here? UI builder, tile palette. There we go. There we go. Mine looks a lot different from how they look because I have a newer version. But
So this is where we'll do most of our work. Now we also need to make sure that we have a tile map in our scene right now. But before that, let's take our tile palette and anchor it somewhere. I'll go and anchor it down here where the console is.
oh great, oh great. Okay, let's. Where should I fucking tile this? Where should I put the tile map? I'll put it right here then. I don't know. I'll put it here. I don't know where to put this fucking tile map, man. Tile palette.
Okay, now let's head over to the arrow key, right click, and create a new 2D object, tile map. This is going to create
I'm gonna create a tile map here. 2D. Yeah, sure. New 2D object. Tile map. Wait, what?
a grid. Okay, now let's head over to the arrow key, right click, and create a new 2D object, tile map.
What kind of tile map, bro? It's not telling me what kind of tile map. Bro, his is fucking an old version. Which tile map do I pick? Okay, you guys can't see that. Fucking hell, you guys can't see. You guys can't see that. You know, next time I might honestly just fucking do share screen, but I don't know. I just need to make sure not to open anything. So, tile map here. Maybe isometric, maybe? Nope, definitely not isometric. What the fuck did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? I don't know. Nope, I don't think we're supposed to do a hexagon. Tile map. Nope, that does not seem to be it either. What the hell did this guy do?
This is going to create you a grid, and on the grid there's going to be the grid component, and beneath that there's going to be a tile map with the tile map and
What kind of tile map am I doing here? Maybe isometric, but why is this so fucking weird? My tile map is weird. Tile anchor. Maybe if I do 0, 0. Would that work? No, that doesn't work. I don't know why it's like diagonal. I don't fucking know why this is diagonal, but okay. Okay, so this guy is here. Why is my tile map looking like this? Why is my tile map like 3D? Huh. Anyways, I'll just continue. Okay, well, I gotta go have fun. Have a good day, Minnie. I might end the stream soon as well.
the tile map renderer. We are going to rename the tile map for something like, let's go and call this one floor. And that is going to be our tile map that contains all the floor.
Floor. I don't know why my tile map is like this. Why is my tile map 3D? Oh god, shit. Fuck. Have a good day, Minnie. Have a good day, bro. Have a very good day. I don't know why my fucking tile map is like this. How do I create a... Maybe if I... No, that's not it. That's not fucking it. What am I doing here? Do 3D? 3D tile map. There is no tile map in 3D though. Isometric, where Z is Y. What? No, this is not working. I don't know why my tile map looks like this, but okay. What have they done? Tile map. 2D tile map. They didn't have these fancy options. Oh! I'm a dumbass. They just did rectangle. They just did rectangle. That's it. That's all they needed to do. Rectangle.
So fairly simple stuff. We're going to go ahead and create a new sorting layer for it as well. The sorting layer are actually shared with the sprites as well. So as you can see, if we click here, you're going to see we have actor, the sorting layer we've made in the past for all the player object,
Yep.
or the NPC's object. Let's add a new sorting layer we'll call this one floor, and we're going to make sure that this one is above actor, so it is being rendered first. So when an actor is on top of it, this one is rendered last, which means it's going to be on top. So the highest one is going to be the one beneath everything. The lowest.
Alright, so floor. We're gonna add floor then. So tile map, another layer. Floor. Layer 1, floor. Excuse me. Jeez, I sneezed. Fucking sneeze.
Lowest one is going to be the one rendered last, so the one on top of everything. With this new sorting layer, we're going to click on our tile map, so the floor tile map, make sure we apply it here, and we can then start adding stuff in our tile map. But right
Knock, knock. Who's there?
now we don't have any palette, so we have to go down here in the tile palette, click on create a new one, and that's going to be something I'll call dungeon. We're only going to have one palette.
Create new palette. How do I create new palette here? What do I press? New palette. Nope. Okay, let me just look at this for a sec. Create new palette. Their screen looks a lot different from mine. Like, very different from mine. They have a create new palette option. I don't have that. Maybe I do, but I'm blind somehow. I might just be blind. New palette. Ligma. Who farted? Star Killer, you farted, didn't you, bro? Did you fart? I think you farted, man. I think you did. I think you did. Create new palette in the drop down below.
For this game, but I've seen games in the past such as Warcraft 3. They give you editor, you could swap in between palettes or like something I'll call. But right now we don't have only in a forest.
So we're gonna create a new palette: dungeon, rectangle, and cell size. No, it wasn't me this time. Then who was it? I don't believe you, bro. I don't believe you. Who was it then? What am I doing? No valid. Oh, right there. That's the create new palette option. Okay, there we go. There we go.
Scene that could be quite cool, but in our case,
Not me. And who is not me?
we have a dungeon kind of settings. So we're going to click dungeon, make sure we hit create, and it's going to ask us where to save it. I'm going to go under artwork and level. Select the folder, and you'll now see under artwork level, you'll see.
So we're gonna insert this into level then. Create new palette, dungeon, and create into the fucking levels. There we go. No, Spanish skeleton, it was you. Spanish skeleton was the one who farted. I see, bro, I see. Whoops, I fucking pressed the wrong window again.
The dungeon, which is right now a prefab. In this next step, we're going to import what we've made in the past, and we're going to put it in here. Now, all they ask you to do.
Okay, this fucking tile palette is weird. And there's a lot of weird windows. I have to manage so many fucking windows here. Why are you guys accusing each other of who's farting? Why are you guys accusing each other of who's farting, bro? Jeez, bro. Jesus bejeebers.
Do is to drag a tile, a sprite, or sprite texture here. So if we go under Atlas, we have all our sprite beneath Atlas. So let's assume that we want to import our 4 crates. I'm going to click on the first one, hold Shift, and just drag and drop this in here. And you'll see it gives some space for it, and we're going to drop that
Wait
there.
a second,
Now it
I
asks you to replace the save,
didn't
of course,
fucking do crates. The guy fucking has crates, huh? Maybe it was Slime. It was not me. No, I did not fart, bro. It was not me either. I blame Star Killer. I think it was Star Killer. I still think it's Star Killer, by the way. I still think it's Star
Go
Killer.
under artwork, level, and I will be creating a new folder in here called tiles. I'm going to select this folder, and you'll see that it creates tiles on its own, right here. So we can find our.
Hey, what did they do?
Some space for it. Let's assume that we want to import our 4 crates. I'm going to click on the first one, hold Shift, and just drag and drop this in here. And you'll see it gives some space for it, and we're going to.
I see. So we're gonna import the fucking things in there. I don't think I did crates. I didn't make any crate prefabs, did I? I don't think I did crates, which is a bit of annoying. I have to do more. Crate 1, crate 2, and crate. That's crate 0. Crate 0. Crate 1. No, it's not me. Yeah, Slime. Why you smell like shit? It's two of you. I got these glasses to see gases. I blame Starkiller. It was Starkiller, not me, bro. It was Starkiller, man. It's Starkiller, not me. Crate 2. That's Crate 2. It's Starkiller, man. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I may be stupid, but I don't lie. I've never lied in my life. I am literally the most honest person in the world. If two people are accusing each other of something, always trust me. Always trust me, man. Always trust me. Because I am the most honest person I know. And I'm the only person I know, too, because I have no friends. Anyways, I need to apply that. And, yeah. Perfect. Okay. I need to... What did he do again? I forgot. What did he do? He dragged it into the...
Are 4 crates. I'm going to click on the first one, hold shift, and just drag and drop this.
So we're gonna open tile palette. I'm gonna drag my crates in here. Save. I'm gonna die of the stink. Yes. Why is your fart so bad, Star Killer? Why is it so bad, huh? Fucking the stink is so bad.
In here, and you'll see it gives some space for it. Tiles. I'm going to select this folder, and you'll see that it creates tile.
Assets, prefabs, scenes. What am I doing? I don't know. Scripts, artwork, levels, crate. I have a bunch of crates in here and shit.
Tiles on its own, right here. So we can find our 4 crates, and they can also have different color, they can have different collider type.
Levels and tiles. What? Levels.
So this is something really you can customize just a little bit. Right, so let's have a look at what happened down here in our tile palette.
Okay, let me create another folder here. I'm gonna put this into tiles. I'm gonna create a new folder here. Folder tiles. I'm gonna put the crates in here. You would be dead before you fall if you get into it lungs. Guys, you don't get it. Call of Duty reference, Nova 6. Skeletons don't have lungs. He is bung. What? Yeah, skeletons can't smell things. Spanish skeleton, I think you're a fraud. You're a fraud. You're saying that you can smell fart? I don't believe it, man. I don't fucking believe it. You're a skeleton.
It gave us our 4 tiles, but in a weird order, so we're going to have to place them again. So what I'll be doing is I click on the little edit button, click on, say, this tool.
Okay, we're gonna edit this.
Right here, the select tool. Now with the tile selected, I can now go on this tool, the move selection tool, or M, and move it around just like this.
Okay, M to move these around. Oh shit, what the fuck? Shit, oh fuck. How do I, wait, what? Oh shit, fuck. Oh god, what the hell? Okay, I'm gonna erase this. How do I erase this? How the fuck do I erase this, bro? Oh god, no. Oh shit, god. Okay. There we go. I can move it. Hello? Can I move? What am I? I'm so dumb. I don't know what's going on here. What is going on here, man? I don't know what's going on here. What is going on? How the fuck do I move these? Help! Help! Okay, let me try. Okay,
this tool in weird order, so we're going to have to place them again. So what I'll be doing is I click on the little edit button, click on, say, this tool right here, the select tool. Now with the tile selected, I can now go on this tool, the move.
Okay. Minnie's just what? I thought you were gone, Minnie. I thought you were gone, bro. I thought you were gone. I thought you were gone, man. Why can I not move you? What is going on? Okay, there we go. I figured it out somehow. I don't know how, but I figured it out. Okay. That was very weird for some reason.
Selection tool, or M, and move it around just like this. This one for selection is S, so if we try to work quickly, we can press on S, select, M, move by drag and dropping. So S, select, move, and here we go, we just replicated.
There we go, okay. Okay, okay. That was a lot more confusing than I would have liked. And we move no. We move this over here. We move these two over here. There we go. My dumbass finally figured it out. I died to slime fart. Well, I did not fart, bro. Why are you guys saying I farted? I did not. Why? What is this slander?
What was in our atlas, and this way it can look good if we import all of these together. We're going to be doing the same exact thing with the rest of the tiles. So I'll head under atlas, I'll take all the floors, and I will drag and drop them right here. Making sure, of course, I save under tiles.
Okay,
As
so
you
we're
can
gonna drag and drop this into the floors as well, huh? Gonna drag and drop into here. Select folders here. Oh god, it is so messy. I'm gonna have to fucking...
Well, there is going to be some work that needs to be done. And also, for some reason, since this is a very, very early version of 2017.2, you can tell that my atlas just got messed up. So hopefully in the version you're in right now, that doesn't happen. If it does, you might want to import everything first before you do any changes. So I'll actually do that right now. Put everything else I need, such as the healing fountain, the pillars, and we're also going to be using the stairs. I'm currently holding control to select what I need, and finally the walls as well.
Okay, we're gonna import that all in. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's gonna be a lot of fucking stuff to fucking import in. Healing fountain, the pillars, the stairs. What do we need? Oh shit, okay, so I'm gonna... dismiss. What the fuck just happened? What did I press? What? I just pressed something. I don't know what the fuck just happened. Ew, you stink, slime. I can't eat you. You're rotten. I wish you were rotten more. And slime... What? I don't know what is going on in my chat right now. What is this fucking fanfic that you guys are writing in here? What is this fucking fanfic that you guys are writing? I don't know. And I do not want to know. And I, quite frankly, do not care. Okay, I imported my pillars and shit. I'm assuming I don't need to import my stairs just yet. I'm gonna import my walls because I'm gonna build a wall. Okay, fucking hell, we are here now.
So this right here is going to be our tile palette, and there's going to be some ordering to be done, of course, but I'm going to go ahead and save this one for now, making sure it doesn't crash by hitting Control and S. I went ahead and I closed the engine just to give...
Hey, Control and S. I'm gonna save. I've been streaming for 3 hours. I think I might just end the stream here, man. This has been not a very good stream, I'll say that. I don't think this has been a very great stream. I suffered so much doing this, bro. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I will probably continue this. Even if people don't want to see me do this, I will fucking still continue. Holy shit. Bro, I don't know what the fuck you think good progress is, but this is not it. This is not good progress. I don't know what you think good progress is, but this is not it. This is not good progress. Anyways, I'm going to end the stream here. I am tired now. I've used up 100% of everything my brain has left. I cannot think anymore. Oh my god, my brain is fucking dead. I feel like I'm gonna melt. Bro, my man just casually says the N-word in chat. What? That has to be like, what? What, bro? I mean... Okay, sure. I mean, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna end the stream here, man. I'm gonna end the fucking stream here. I'm gonna end the stream here. Alright, see you guys. Thank you guys for joining. I'm gonna end the stream here. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Ending the stream.